Right, we're live. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Markets
Good for
Parlay.
you. What did you do for Christmas?
What did I do for Christmas? Just siblings. I mean, just he bought some. My brother bought some fucking microwavable dinner from the supermarket. We heated up. It was like, what was it? Like ham, and then uh
They have microwaves
stuffed
and chicken?
chicken. Yeah, it was like from Mercadona, or is that only Spanish? So,
McDonald's?
no, it's like the biggest supermarket chain here in Spain.
Oh no.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it was that. Then we had some champagne. My sister's co-workers gifted her, and then yeah, I headed to church, and then I just went home.
And your pops was not with y'all? He was in
No,
Cordoba?
he was in the north in Galicia with his
Why?
parents. So they
Oh, with
didn't
his
spend
parents.
the holiday alone, cause my uncle, like we only have one uncle, like my father's brother, so he was gonna spend it with his wife's family. So my grandparents were gonna be alone. So my father just went there, and I was like, "Oh, let's all go together." But then my sister couldn't go because she was working, and then my brother couldn't go because he can't, like his wife can't really move like that.
You
And then I'm
can't
like, "All
see.
right, so I just stay over here." Well, yeah, no, but my brother could have just gone with with all of us. Like it's not that. It's like the wife more.
Oh.
It's hard for her to move and stuff. But it was chill. It was nice. It was fun. Nothing. I mean, your meal sounds way better for sure. I mean, people didn't hear it
Yeah,
because I started the live right after. It was a whole list, guys.
they pull out all the stops, you know?
Hell yeah! No, I remember when I spent Christmas. I think it was like, was it sophomore or freshman year? I was in New York, and you guys invited me to your house. Oh, that was nice.
No, it was later because
Yeah,
we didn't really
right.
hang out
Yeah,
that
that's
much.
true. Yeah, it would have made sense. It was sophomore. What did I
It
do?
was like
I think one of the years I was at Nikki's house. Yeah, yeah. His mother
still
loved me.
is. He has a lifetime supply of steak.
Who?
Nikki.
Oh, really? Shit, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Where's that coming from? How do you know that?
He won a modeling competition when he was a child.
I don't know if I should believe you or not. Sounds
I'm serious.
okay. Lifetime supply of steak is pretty awesome.
He won a lifetime supply of those Omaha steaks.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, I didn't know that. Or maybe I forgot. Wow.
Hmm.
All right, guys. I'm not gonna stall anymore. So, we finished the screener pretty much. We have them here,
We're
and
done.
we're done, and that's it. We're just gonna buy equal weight of all of this. Oh, I actually never fixed the little
Did
app
the thing.
thing. Yeah, I just
Yeah,
realized.
yeah,
Hell,
brother.
but
I've been to the screener, and I can tell you that it's not very good with live
oh,
market price change.
the Google one,
Yeah, the one that I was building, like Evan's
right?
poop machine. Or whatever.
Yeah. Oh wow.
It's not.
Okay.
It doesn't do really well with live data.
Hmm.
It's good at. I mean, it's not even really good at picking out regular data, but it's better at that than with live stuff. With live stuff, it gets a little confused.
Hmm.
But I don't know. Honestly, you know what I was thinking about? You don't use your Schwab, right?
I don't use my Schwab.
Like you
Uh,
don't use your
I mean,
Schwab
no,
account,
not really. No, no, not for brokering for sure.
right? Even if you did, I'm pretty sure Schwab has a. First of all, can you share your screen?
Oh, I'm not sure. Oh my bad, bro. One second.
Also, you check the stream to make sure we all our sounds are there.
Yeah, I did check, but I'll check again. Yeah, good point. Which one is this one?
Hello, hello, hello,
Hey, say something.
hello.
Yeah, yeah, you're in. I'm in. Everybody in.
It's very nice, very nice.
Very
All right,
nice.
so go to Schwab for me real quick.
All right. Okay.
I'm gonna show you something that's gonna make you,
It's kind of blow my mind.
yeah,
Yeah, I know that's what you were going for, right?
yeah. Go to Schwabini.
A modern approach to invest.
Are you on an incognito?
Am I?
No.
What do you mean?
Oh,
What happened?
you should pay your screen for this, bro.
Why?
I don't know. It just feels like evasive. Anyway, go to
Invasive, you mean?
yeah. Is that not what I said? Did I
Oh,
say
I thought
I
you
said
said
evasive?
evasive. Yeah.
I did. I did. You know.
Oh, what do you need though? Research or different thing?
Go to trade, the trade tab, and
Traded
then go to Thinkorswim Web on the right.
web. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, you could download the app on your
Right, right.
desktop.
But let's see what it is. I don't even know what it is.
Right. And now I think here, I'm pretty sure they have a accept all disclosures right now.
Okay, okay. One second.
Don't read them. Just
Alright.
accept them. And then go to paper money. That tab right
Paper.
there.
Oh, got it. All right. Yeah, I see what you mean. What we're gonna do here, all right?
Yeah, and then we could do a paper money. Accept all disclosures. Don't even think about it. Nice.
Okay. And okay. Wait. So let's change this.
It
Wait.
gives you 200K.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty awesome. All right, let's go with 10K so we can match it to what it is. How do I change this? Yeah, that's
I think you can do that, bro.
why wouldn't they let me do that? IRA
Um,
margin all accounts. Wait, why am I on a margin account here?
no,
IRA.
it's simulating.
No, I know, but it's like why is it simulating this one? Oh, this is cool. How do I? Can I change anything?
It's not.
Alright,
You don't know how to use it.
I don't know how to use it. No.
Yeah, I'm just realizing. No, you can't change I don't think you can change the number, bro, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'll use the one that is 100K, so at least it's on the same scale, kind of.
No, this is all the same account.
No, look, it says all accounts. I have an IRA, which I guess is so that you can simulate
you
like
use-
tax things.
Yes, just use all accounts. Okay?
Well,
Just
no,
have it on-
yeah, I don't know why the fuck. No, I want to use this one, bro. Relax.
It's all the same, though. You get it right.
I don't think so, but anyway, how do I? So now I go trade
It's-
here right away.
All accounts. Well,
I
you
go
could, but
watch.
I just usually. So we populate this watch list with all the companies
Oh,
in
okay.
our universe.
Okay. All right, let's do
No.
new watch list.
No.
We're gonna
The
call
bottom.
it
Oh,
markets. Boy, markets parlay. All right, and now let's see.
Start adding them.
Let's do it. Oh shit! What the hell? Where'd it go? I can't do this. What the hell is this, brother?
Watch
Here it
list.
is. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
No,
well.
that's the name at the bottom. At the bottom symbol. Bottom left.
Oh shit! I see what I just did. Okay.
You're brand new.
I just got here. Okay.
And then start populating them.
MPWR. Oh, nice. We can all nice. NVIDIA, ACMR, TSM, Qualcomm, MU, UDD, IDCC.
I bought some MU this week, by the way.
You bought some what?
MU.
You didn't buy
Well, I
it.
sold. But
Wait,
yeah,
what was MU? It's right here, right? So
Micron.
Micron. Why did you buy it?
It's just they're just in an insane super cycle. Like
What? Like let's. Okay.
yeah,
Why are you showing it like this?
Why don't you just look at Schwab?
I guess I could have, yeah. Whoa. Ugly. You bought it here?
Yeah.
What did
Well, I
you?
sold puts, but yeah.
You sold. Oh, okay, well, yeah, but you bought the stock.
No, I'm trying to buy it at 260.
Oh, I see what you mean. When you sold puts, right? Yeah, at 260.
Yeah.
All right, that's still pretty. I mean, but yeah, I guess. Well, I mean, the PE, it's not that wild, but this is a crazy run. Why would it keep going up?
They're supposed to do. They've guided to like 100% revenue growth this year.
Damn.
Yeah, they're in an AI super cycle. They've essentially abandoned their consumer-facing business to just build for the AI super cycle, essentially. And
Okay.
they do memory. They're in the memory market,
Uh-huh.
and in the memory market, there's very few players. It's like them and essentially two other companies that are both based in like Asia.
Okay.
And they're actually competent. They're not like Intel, like they have the ability to actually adapt and match the cycle.
Uh-huh.
So they've abandoned their core business, but they're doing this now, and it's just insane. The only issue I mean, it's not really an issue, but their PE is 27, as you saw, which is cheap if you factor in the revenue growth.
Yeah.
But they're spending a lot on capex, which makes sense because they're
Yeah.
shifting their whole model to like match, you know,
So, but
essentially.
did they have healthy cash flows before that, or how are they financing the capex?
Yeah, they were cheap, bro. They were so this company like a few years ago was cheap,
Right.
and they've always been part of like essentially an oligopoly. Like there's only really three major players, in the market.
Uh-huh.
They were cheap a while ago, but I never pulled the trigger because like I don't know, I just didn't know enough about the business. You know what I mean?
Right.
And I guess in a way I still don't. But then it's just like 27 PE with this insane revenue growth is just like it's unbeatable, bro. You know?
Yeah. I guess, but it's also kind of when you say that they're projected to grow that much revenue, who's projecting that? Like management?
Mhm.
But that would be after they do this pivot? Like in the sense, like could the bet go wrong? Like they spend a lot of capex and then they're left behind. But
Well, the first, if you look at, they've already had one quarter of this year. They're projecting it for this year, the next 3 quarters. So it's like it's pretty stable. I don't know about the year after that, but
right.
they're forecasting demand, and I think it should be pretty accurate.
Oh wait, we have P Diddy twice. We don't want to have too many P Diddy's.
PDD is also very cheap, but it's China tech. I don't know if you're interested.
Yeah, I mean, why not? Come around my China shit.
Yeah, it's coded.
Yeah, how do I? Yeah, it's, I should have done that the other way around. Anyway, okay, wait. So if we have it twice, does it show up twice? Oh no, it doesn't. It's smart. Such a smart platform. Calls. Amazon, PR, Oxycontin, Bang. Maybe this is also able to like, you know, segment it by industry and stuff. That would be nice.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Wouldn't it be nice? I think that would be nice, yeah. It would be pretty nice.
Undoubtedly, it would be very nice.
Yep. Bro, today I fixed my, I don't know if it has happened to any of your controllers, but when they drift, like the joystick and stuff. So I had I had two controllers that I had just like kind of given up on, and I bought. So I have 3 PS5 controllers. 2 of them drift the joystick to the left. And then I was watching videos. I'm like, oh, they're like, oh, like press it down and turn it. It didn't work. And then I just looked up how to open it, and I dismantled both of my controllers, and I actually fixed them. Although on one of them I broke one of the cables, so I now had to get a replacement. But that was like it's a $6 replacement. But it's pretty cool how it works. Like you gotta clean this. There's like this solenoid inside the joystick, and you gotta clean because it gets like the metal gets dirty, and then you do that, and it fixes it. And it's like you don't gotta buy a whole new controller.
Yeah, I have stick drift on the controller. I just don't use it anymore.
Yeah, well, it can be fixed. It's easy. I mean, I was pretty stressed when I opened the first one, but then once you know how to do it, like everything, it's just like, oh, okay, it's just a machine. You just gotta clean the parts.
Yeah, you need like a special like screwdriver or whatever.
Well, I have a screwdriver that it was small enough, but no, this is not like Apple, which I also have the Apple ones, but you don't need. It's a Phillips. It's a Phillips screwdriver. If you're talking about about a Sony controller, yeah, I mean anything that's not Apple. So no, I mean you just need like, I mean I used like a flat screwdriver to kind of pry the pin, like the plastic things, like the outside of the controller. But I mean you could use a softer thing, a specialized tool and stuff. But with a flat screwdriver that's small enough, you can like pry it open to
get in there.
And then yeah, and then the screws is like 4 screws on the outside and then 1 inside for the holder for the battery. But the hard thing is that so there's like the flex cables. That's what I broke, one of those. Like they look like this. Like these things, right? So when you're pulling these things out, you gotta grab them specifically by this part, because if you grab it by here, you can like, you know, cut the cables by mistake, and that's what I did by mistake. But again, I'll just have so that my left trigger doesn't work now because of one of those cables. Gotta
Yeah, I
fix it.
wouldn't really trust myself.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoyed it. I want to do the same with the car, but the car is much harder because you need to lift the car to do most of the things. Like I want to change the suspension on it, the front suspension, but I gotta, I gotta lift the car, and then I need a compressor for this. What is it called? Like the spring that is in the suspension,
Mhm.
and I don't have that, and I don't feel like getting it. But I was thinking, like, what if like an idea of starting like a community garage, you like buy you pool some money and then you buy the tools together and then you like sell membership. Well, you don't sell it, but you just tell people, look, if you want to use this garage with all the tooling, you pay a membership, and then we just share the tools, because I feel like that's the main reason. Well, not probably the main reason most people go to the mechanic is because they don't want to risk it. But it's like, for me, it's like I would risk it. I just don't want to buy the tooling to use it once.
Yeah, your car has a lift, though. You know that, right?
Well, yeah, like, but that one is like it lifts one side of the car. Yeah, like I could use that. I know. It's just I feel
Yeah.
unsafe with that. But yeah, like going under the car with just that thing holding it up. But yeah, for changing the wheel and changing the suspension, sure. But then I need the tool. I mean, I've seen people doing it with fucking weird ass shit, but that feels even more unsafe. Like you gotta compress that whole spring down. And it's like if that thing breaks, it will snap out of existence. It will break your head or something. So just a lot of things that I could do, but it's not like if I break a controller. It's like if I fuck something there, and the car falls on me or the suspension like snaps on my face, it's not gonna be fun at all.
I
So,
would just risk.
huh?
I would just risk it if I was you.
Yeah, I do think about it, but I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah, I have to change my brake pads and my rotors
Oh,
on my cars.
that I
It's not
would
that
do.
hard.
Yeah, no, that's
Like,
not that hard at all. It's like you could take the wheel out and then you just gotta kind of detach, right, the pads from like the hydraulic system, and
mhm.
then you change them, right? You just kind of need again those like keys too. Like I don't have those either. Like a tool set, like for the
Yeah,
Allen
I have.
keys or whatever. Oh, okay. That's also you have a garage. Like I would have to do it here on the outside in my, but I don't think they will mind, especially now that it's winter. Nobody's around. Nobody minds archery here in this small town.
Run it.
Yeah, but I don't need to change the brake pads yet. But for something like that, now the problem that I have is like the temperature. I mean, so is this normal, by the way, in winter? Because my engine now is taking a long while to get to 90 degrees, like to the central temperature. Is that
Mhm.
normal? No, right? It should get there quick enough,
No,
right?
no,
Oh,
it's
okay.
cold.
Yeah, but it should warm up eventually. Just takes a long while. And then even I'm like sixth gear in the middle of the highway, and it's like the temperature of the engine like drops a little bit. Like, oh, so I'll go look that. I don't know how to do that one. I mean, probably it's just a thermometer, but I don't know. Anyway, we have all the stocks. I think I have them all. I hope I didn't mess any of them up. CBL, AGNC, Apple, PLD, Alex, RO, USLM, GPK, LLY. Anyway, yeah, they look fine. All right, so now, and this is my positions on the watch list. I can do this, and then it goes the other way. Awesome. All right, so, and if I go trade, oh yeah, and the paper money. So now if I go, oh, I go buy an option. No, 100. What is this number of shares? Can I do? Wait, this is a limit order. Market order. 100 shares. Is that what it is? Alright, so I mean, let's do it. Yeah, let's do a test. Buy 10 shares of Monolithic.
You can't. It's Sunday, dude.
Oh, but it's paper money, bro. Fucking get the order through. Yeah, no, fair enough.
Your order, but
No. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I mean, for now, then that's it, right? Is there a way to just monitor the watch list?
No, you gotta buy them, but tomorrow you should just go in and buy everything.
Yeah, I'll buy equal weighting or something like that, and then we can just kind of overweight, underweight things. I mean, I don't think that makes sense to do that.
No, just equal weight.
But why? Why would it make sense to do that? To
You
just,
can just see how everything is performing.
but why would it matter how it's performing? I mean, I guess I can always just make another portfolio. It's all paper money. Yeah, I can always, whenever we decide to buy or sell. Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
sure. I mean, I don't really see I don't see what we're driving from that, like how they're performing from today. Like it seems like it's gonna.
It's like tracking them from the day we start covering them, you know?
Sure. Okay. Sure. I guess. Feels like it's gonna but yeah, like it's gonna be distracting. Like it's gonna be like, oh, this stock is going up, so it's kind of like, how do you say, like, pollute the decision process? I don't know.
It's part of the decision process, man.
Well, if you're buying a
Because
momentum,
when
sure.
we added them to the watch list, they were cheap.
Mm-hmm.
And so if they're at like the same price when we're looking at them, then we know that they're still at that same level. But if they're up a lot, we know that that level has changed. So we have to like look back into it, you know?
This is better than Schwab research, kind of. I mean, you're gonna have pretty
Yeah, I
good
don't really
view
like
of
it.
things. Oh, you don't like it? Okay. Wait, can I go into this like statement stuff from here?
I don't know. I don't know. I just use this to execute stuff.
Yeah.
Sometimes, like barely, really, but
Oh, they got candles too, man.
yep, for technical analysis. Let's
Technical,
go.
technically technical.
The best, bro.
The bitch. Oh, there we go. We do have the statements. Wait, what is this? This is like a
No, these are
summary.
like
Yeah.
ratios. Yeah,
Okay.
it's good though. It's good.
No, it's a good view. I'm just trying to see if I can do
Yeah.
more things to this, but
Okay. You know.
mm-hmm. All right, so then I guess now I would say we just go deep into each one.
Yeah.
Huh? There's no other way around it.
Yeah, that's the next step.
Okay, so let's see. We
go
gotta
back to the-
decide where we gotta go.
To the Excel.
Yeah. Scan. All right. So, should we start with the fun information tech? Or
Whatever. I'll let you pick the first one.
Hmm.
Unless you're scared.
I am a bit scared.
You
No,
should be.
I'm just thinking of what I want to do. Yeah, exactly. Like, do I want to get into a bank? Do I want to get into Because I think we should go on a line. You know what I'm saying? Like we do software, so we study all the software once in a row, and that way we can compare them. We're talking about the same subject matter and stuff, and then we move to the next industry, sub industry. You know, so we go row by row. So, and there's some that are like adjacent. So it's like I feel like it wouldn't make sense to go with this and then jump to like go with Uber and then jump to USLM construction materials. So semiconductors. So like I would try to put them in some type of order. So I'd say software, hardware. So hardware should go next to semiconductors. We should go next to some type of industrials like energy. Well, no, this is not the
No.
same type of energy, no.
Stop
Like
it.
here, like infrastructure. What do you mean, stop it? Why are you already complaining, bro? You told me to make the
Cut it
choice.
Cut it out, bro.
Machinery.
And make the choice on what's the first company we're gonna look at, bro.
I know, I'm trying to get there. I'm doing systematic decision making. I'm trying to first get to why I want to make that decision.
Stop.
Bevies. I feel like, yeah, we could start with this. Like do beverages and food.
No.
What? Okay. What you just want me to like throw shit at the wall like you're a lady and be like, "We want to dine," and then I have to choose, but you say no to all of them until you find the one that you want. Why don't you say what you want to do then?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Yes. No.
Yeah.
Extraction.
Just start from the top and go down, bro.
No. What type of stupid system is that, bro?
Why? Why not? What's wrong with it?
Because there's no like rhyme or reason. It's just kind of like let's start here.
Yeah, we start there and then we go down.
No, I don't want to do that.
Why, bro?
Because okay, if we start here, I don't mind if we start here, but then we're not gonna go to software from semiconductors. We're gonna go to hardware.
Why not?
Because I don't want to then go back to hardware. Like if we're gonna do semiconductors, I want to then jump to hardware. I'll forget about half of the stuff by the way, and then
That's crazy.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so you want to start with semiconductors then,
How about you just pick? How about you just ask yourself like, what's a
right?
company I want to own, and then we look at it.
Well, it's gonna be Palantir, and I already know enough about Palantir. And it's like I feel like I don't want to start with like it's the companies that I already know. It's like if I do it by that, by like vibes, then I'm gonna go to the ones that I already know. It's like
So pick one that you want to own that you don't already own or know about.
Okay, I don't know. Then what is this? MPLWR.
Monolith Power.
Let's do that one.
All right.
What did they do?
They make monolithic power systems.
Kirkland, Washington. More than 15 locations. Power circuit system of cloud computing, telecom infrastructures, automotive, industrial, and consumer applications. Monolithic Power System was founded in 1997 by Michael Hsing, who is the current CEO. 1997. Prior to the founding of the corporation, Hsing worked as a senior silicon technology developer at several analog integrated circuit companies. The company then diversified into DC-DC products. So then, okay. And where did they start? You said in Washington? Why?
DC.
Why would they start there? Is he from there?
Why are you on the Wikipedia page?
Why not? We gotta start somewhere. I feel like it's a good general step.
Big 2026.
Oh, am I gonna need this?
I don't like this. I don't like this.
No, this is not him anyway.
Not him. All right. Open up Perplexity, bro.
Bro, relax.
You can get all this stuff on Perplexity.
Yeah, but then I gotta prompt it. You know what I'm saying? Just wanna
Yeah,
click
prompt it up.
around a little bit.
Fastly. Wow. I haven't heard that name in a while.
Who? What?
Fastly. This thing is powered by Fastly.
Oh, these people here. Michael Hussein Fandina currently serve. Right, but where's he from? Michael was a senior silicon technology developer at several analog IC companies where he developed and patented key technologies which set new standards in the power electronics industry. In 2004, Michael took the company IPO, so that's 7 years later. Under his leadership, MPS is constantly creating cutting-edge products, blah, blah, blah. Okay, who's this? Herbert Chang has served on our board since 1999, so before they even went public. General partner of Growstar Partners Group Limited, a position he has held since July 2007. Venture capitalist. Okay, so this guy came in later to fund it. Investing companies in the semiconductor, telecommunications, networking, and industry. Mr. Chang serves on the board of directors of a number of private companies. And WSC listed company. So this guy's Taiwanese. Mr. Chang received BS in geology. Yeah, National Taiwan University. Okay. So they have a Taiwan guy. I mean, this guy probably also Taiwanese, right? Hsing. So why would they fund it in anyway, let's see. This what if we ask this guy to make us a whole dashboard about it? Build an interactive dashboard exploring public company with ticker MPWR. Empower. Is that it?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Company with ticker interactive dashboard exploring public company with ticker Empower from all relevant angles necessary to make an informed decision as an equity researcher in order to start, in order to decide. Wait, an informed decision. Okay. I'm right. To make an informed decision, I agree research whether to start a position or not. Whether or not to start a position. All right. Whether indicted as a public company with Tigger Empire with all relevant angles necessary to make an informed decision, I agree research whether or not to start a position.
What you have to say is make an informed investment decision. You don't have to add the last part.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there, and then make an informed investment decision, and then send it.
Wait.
Oh, more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure to divide the dashboard in different tabs, exploring each angle, which should include financials, history of the company, this fucking keyboard, right? Financials, history of the company, profile of each profiles of members of the board of directors. Profiles of members of the board of directors, all their product offerings, revenue streams, customer base, geographics, and market.
Analyst rating,
Yeah,
forecasts.
geographical markets, analyst ratings, and forecasts. What else?
Make a interactive DCF tab as well, so we can we can.
Yeah, okay, I'll say that after. And any other ones you think are important. Be very exhaustive and don't leave anything out. I'd rather have more than less tabs. Also, make sure to include a tab, a simulation tab that allows me to, what is it exactly? To make a DCF?
To choose the inputs that go into a DCF.
Okay. Well, that's about it, right? Well, let's see.
Make it night mode.
I mean, I guess why not? Make it night dark mode, right? It's called.
Same. Click it. Delete it.
Oh wait, one second. I have one more geographical markets. Running locations. Okay. Alright, let's wait. Finance as well. Academic, sure. I can search everything. Social, no. Alright. Alright. Let's see how it does. In the meantime, where were we with this? Eugene Elmiger served on a board since 2012. So this is okay. What is that? 8 years after they went public, serves as chief executive officer of Maxon Group, a leading advanced motion company. Okay, interesting. Position he has held since 2011. From 1991 to 2011, Mr. Elmiger has held senior executive positions in the sales, marketing, and engineering divisions of Maxon Motor. So these people must be like related in market to, or their customers must be in automotion or
Yeah,
something.
if you just look at the little blurb on Schwab, it'll tell you.
Okay. Let's do that, I guess. Strawberrini. I hate that I do it this way, though. Whatever. Wait, is this gonna take me there? Yeah.
Relax, read more. Nice.
So that was for the storage and computing, automotive, okay, enterprise data, consumer communication, industrial market in the
They're
U.S.,
more than
China,
automotive.
Taiwan. Sorry, what?
They're more than automotive. They're everything.
No, yeah, I see
So
that, but it's interesting. Like, I wonder what percentage is going to automotive because it seems like their board of directors leans
can you
towards
go to
that.
their financial? Can you go to their financials?
Sure.
Actually, wait. What's the market cap?
I feel like you're going too fast.
Five.
Market cap is 45 billion.
Yeah, go to their financials.
Sure.
Down,
Yeah,
down,
right.
down. At their statement. You passed it. Okay. Show more. And then go
Enhance.
there. Enhance.
What do you want to see? Income?
Yeah.
Damn.
Why
Right.
did we add this?
I don't remember.
This is so mid.
Mid? All right.
Go to their cash flow statement. Wait, they're based in the U.S., right?
Yeah, Washington. Like,
Okay.
yeah, the state of Washington.
Yeah, this is so mid, bro.
I mean, they tripled their income here. What is this?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
They're more
Might be
than
a one
quadruple.
thing. Revenue growth is probably
I mean, yeah, look, they have deferred taxes here.
a ton of them, bro. It's crazy. It's like all of go back up.
Yeah, it's most of it. Yeah.
It's really 400.
That's why it goes down here. Total cash from operations pretty much the same, but they did kind of improve it a lot. From
2023 was a good year.
Yeah, where is that
What's
coming
the
from?
money for 2023 that's making everything? Nothing
Right,
really.
I'm trying to see. Well, yeah, this went down by 50 million or so, but I don't know why. Oh, here, inventories. Yeah, that's whack.
Yeah.
I mean, no whack, but it doesn't really say anything.
Go back to their income statement. I mean, revenue is growing, I guess, but it's just like this is like what 23 times revenue. That's crazy. Why did we add this company? What the hell? What were we doing?
I'll check. I mean, it's not just all our growth, but probably it's at a good valuation or something.
No, we know the valuation already.
Oh, what is it?
It's like 90x.
I mean, 90. It's 90p.
Yeah.
How do you remember that?
Because they trade for 45 billion.
Oh.
Look, go up.
17. Sales, never mind. 24p.
Why is it 24? That doesn't make any sense. Go back to their income statement.
Oh, I see what you're saying,
Am
right?
I missing something? 45 billion, right? Is their market
Yeah,
cap?
45
45 billion,
million is their billion, yeah, and then their income statement is saying,
right? For 2024, show
I
more.
think you're looking at operating income though.
Right,
Total.
because of the taxes. Like, what the fuck?
Oh,
Yeah,
so you're saying that's why the PE is skewed, right?
it's skewed. Yeah, their operating income is 500 million, which would be 90x. Now go to the
Ah,
quarters for this year. Go to the quarters for this year.
that's it.
Go to quarterly, yeah. Maybe they're like, no, like not even. It's mid. It's so mid. Yeah, like look at that number compared to the rest of the numbers. It's a joke, bro. It's actually a joke, bro.
Wait, so this is 390p.
Yeah, with these
Yeah,
numbers,
why
yeah,
did we add it?
because it was the
But
screener.
even
Like
with that, it's like it's at a 25p. I mean, was there nothing else about this?
it has decent growth. Like it is growing. You
Right.
know.
So I wonder, but I mean, at definitely at 90p, it's not that
Yeah, throw
interesting.
this in the garbage, bro.
Yeah, we don't gotta just throw it. We just made a dashboard about it. I'm gonna check it out.
Yeah,
You
we
go
just
very quick, my guy.
had 700 gallons of water to do nothing with.
Bro, relax. Let's
You
see.
hate to see it. You hate to see it, man. No, it's just like a screener mishap because they have that one.
Right, no,
We get
I see what you mean though. But I'm still, I mean, I'm gonna look through the dashboard now that I made it and look at it. But yeah, I'm probably not interested
yeah, it
because
would
it's like we can
yeah
find something better, probably. But
yeah
I don't know.
we shouldn't really look like I don't think we should waste time. But if you want to, I guess it's
Yeah,
certainly
I mean, it'll
nice.
be like 10 minutes or something.
Okay,
Driver metal oxide
I'm
semiconductor.
gonna actually start a timer just to make sure that we don't get.
Okay. Fair enough. That's funny. Let me see how it's doing.
It's done.
I mean, also, I want to see what it did. Monolithic power systems.
All right, start the timer.
So, Fable second company special integrated power management solutions. Company designs and develop high performance power management. Chief record revenue 2.21 billion. Driven primarily by AI data center demand. Makes sense. Key strengths,
Like look,
proprietary technology.
20% revenue growth is valid. You know, but just unfortunately, the company's not very cheap.
Yeah,
It would
exactly.
it would be nice to know where those because the taxes could be. I mean, I don't know if they are, but
The deferred taxes, I mean, they're gonna have to pay them eventually. I mean, it is probably
yeah,
they just want the cash. They probably spending the cash. Let's see, they're probably spending the cash on building shit. Like I would assume that's why they would defer the
look at
taxes.
their capex. It's not their capex not that high from what I remember. Yeah, like
Damn, you remember that? No, look, but
yeah,
you see, they
this
like
last year.
quadrupled it. I mean, I'm not saying they spent all their like deferred taxes, but they probably will spend them
It's not
eventually.
the price that
Look, they
you
even
see.
sold a bunch of assets. Yeah, they're just trying to build cash. They
Yeah, if
sold
you
a bunch
see
of investments.
the capex of like Micron after this, you're gonna
No,
laugh.
I know, but I'm saying at their scale, like as a way to infer the intention behind them deferring
I get it.
taxes,
I
is
get it.
that I'm not saying they're spending a ton, but yeah, repurchase retirement of they also they're repurchasing stock too, or retiring because of stock options. Oh, sorry,
Mm,
yeah, stock options like come
wait,
in.
this is oh yeah, this is okay. Yeah, they are purchasing stock.
Yeah, or again, it might be because some of the stock options became vetted because they went public in like what do you say 2006 4. I mean that's a ton of years actually. I don't know. Yeah, I mean they're just building shit like in the sense like they're gonna buy more like they're gonna improve their operations and stuff. I mean, what is their balance sheet at the moment in terms of
They're like 600 million cap.
buildings? Oh, I didn't even see that. Yeah, I see. But I was gonna check like if they had land more buildings, I guess. Machinery, yeah, you see.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're just building stuff.
I get it. But for their scale, this is very small because it's 45
Ah,
billion.
yeah, I see what you mean at the same time. I mean, how did their cash changed after that little deferred taxes thing? Yeah, I mean, it's not like what the hell they done
It
there?
went,
Wait, because they're
it went,
spending it. Because they're spending it. Okay.
they're
Issuance,
repurchasing.
retirement stock. Okay, wow.
Right. Why are they repurchasing stock at like a 90 normalized
Well,
P?
let's see in
Whatever.
what quarter they did it too. They did it in the wait a second. Here, first quarter of fourth quarter of 2024, which is the one
Yeah,
ending in
the quarter
December
with the taxes.
December of 2024. Yeah, no, but I want to see how
The
the
stock
stock.
was low.
Yeah, exactly. December
It was
2024. Yeah, okay, right. Well, yeah, here. Oh, okay. They just
like
tanked
that's
and they purchased
yeah,
here. Nice.
yeah.
So yeah, they were just kind of timing the market, I guess. And what valuation
No,
were they at here?
that's a good valuation, even with like
500 on revenue of like what we said, right? Or income that like what
yeah,
was it?
like that.
500 million? Oh wait, this is the
It'd be like
stock price.
40, it'd be like 40 p at that point with growth. Not bad. 40 p with growth. It's not terrible. Normalized p, by the way. I'm not. We're trying to. I'm getting rid of that number.
Oh, of
That
course, of
that
course, of course. I was
yeah.
thinking of like 500 million income is their
Yeah,
normalized
yeah,
income, right?
yeah. 500 million is normalized. Right here, they'd be at like a 22, 23 billion dollar market cap. So like 50 times earnings,
Well, I mean, they
which is still
have.
low.
When they say volume here, is that volume of total shares? No, right? That's the volume of traded shares, right? Yeah, okay.
That's the trading volume. Yeah. The
So how
bottom.
do I know the outstanding shares at the time? Well, I know the price they bought is around 500, right? Like,
Yeah.
how are you doing the calculation? Like 500, and then
500 million. If their stock price is at 1,000. If it's at 500, the P is half. I mean, the market cap is half, roughly.
ah,
You know,
so
it's all
20.
roughly.
So what is it? Like 20 billion market cap.
Like
Kind
23, 24
of.
billion.
Okay.
500 million means it's at a 50 P when they bought it.
Ah,
Rough.
okay. Yeah, I see how you got there.
All roughly, you know,
Sorry, what?
all very. I'm saying it's all very rough estimates. Why
No,
I'm
no,
putting
I
that
get it.
number.
I get it. But that was I see the reasoning behind it.
Yeah.
Okay, cash generation,
So
strong
it's
operating cash flow.
probably historically low. And by the way, like a 40 PE
Yeah.
and the 20 to 25% revenue growth, it's not bad, you
Hmm.
know, like it's not terrible. It's better than a lot of shit out there. But for them, it's probably like they were just using the relative, like they saw that their stock went down. They're like, oh, it's
Yeah.
relatively cheap to where it was.
And I
So
assume
we'll
because they
bring,
also know internally the demand that they have. So they're like, it's gonna go up, like in terms of demand. So then the stock will react. So yeah, it was
right.
a smart decision back then, but it doesn't mean, yeah, exactly. It doesn't mean it's a smart decision
I
now.
don't think that like management of these companies are like value investors, you know, like never think that for any reason.
Oh no, of course, yeah, no, that makes
They
sense
will
too.
just buy shares when the stock is lower than it was, like
Just to
just
pump it
support
up
it.
too. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of arguments against the stock buybacks because of that, which I think it's absurd at the same time, but it makes sense that because there's people that do it like that, in which they're like, why are you spending, this cash on just buying the stock to
Yeah,
pump it up? Like it's, you know,
right. But that's like that's like a false equivalency
I
because why
I
like
agree. Yeah,
then giving dividends at a high valuation is also that you know what I mean. The
right.
thing about that as well.
Yeah, like just grow the company, I guess is what one could say.
Do we have more growth metrics or just a 1 year?
What do you mean? Here in the dashboard?
Yeah, can we do like years before or no? I mean, we can
Yeah,
just
yeah,
figure
yeah.
out.
Yeah, we can do that. Like I can tell it to do it for sure. I just want to see what
This
else it gave me in terms of. I care more about the qualitative thing because for the numbers we can always find tools.
thing is just a stinker, honestly.
Right, right. At this point, I'm really just seeing how the dashboard turned out,
Yeah,
not
you
integrate
have 3 minutes.
persons. Okay, I'm rushing. Advanced packaging technologies enable high integration density, better thermal management, system design expertise, product families. Yeah, this I like this. Intellectual property patents, patent expiration.
That's important, actually.
2044 R&D investment invested 320 million, 15% of revenue. System architecture, circuit design, process technology. Right, so it's power delivery. Yeah, I think I kind of remember talking about it. Simon, I think, was on the call when we were talking about this one.
It's actually monolithic power delivery.
Yeah. Founding, early development, and product launch. IPO. I mean, it's not very detailed, I guess, but market expansion.
Do you need it to be detailed as part of it?
I mean, I will eventually, not for this company, but yeah, I want to see more for sure. Especially if
Seems
the
like
CEO is the founder, like it's been in the company, like it kind of tells me where they want to take it.
fair dinkum.
Plan data center focus in
Fair dinkum.
2016. Navigate semiconductor supply chain challenges. Okay, yeah, I don't want to get in depth actually because we're gonna
Now let
dump
me.
this one.
I'm about
Board and
to
leadership.
do something. Let me know how I sound. Okay.
Okay,
You hear me now, and then I'm gonna do it in 1 second.
okay. All right, and then I'm gonna put like an AI filter on your voice. Now you sound like Michael Bain.
No, is this better?
Yeah, it sounds like. I mean, it sounds more muffled a bit, but it makes it less noisy.
Okay.
So yeah, it's better.
Nice.
What is it that you do?
Just put in headphones.
Oh.
I was using like the computer speaker.
Oh look, yeah. Enterprise data storage and computing. Automotive is 20%. Yeah, it's a large amount. Communications 10. Yeah, but this is it even tells us what grew. Wow, yeah. They definitely are growing just because of this stuff. Cloud
Yeah,
CPU
AI super
servers.
cycle. I'm telling you, every company, like it's literally, I think AI data center
Mm.
is like 80% of all the GDP growth of the last like 3 quarters. It's
Oh
actually
wow.
crazy.
And they grew mostly in Taiwan and China too, but and they're not growing in Europe. But I mean they're small amounts. Like yeah, their main business is China and Taiwan.
It's China, yeah.
Wow.
It's all down there, dude.
Down there.
Down there.
Facilities, yeah, in Kirkland, Washington. And then R&D centers in China, so service in Asia. This is good. Okay, nice. Has
This is
some
just
revenue.
like the
Oh,
ACMR model.
what the hell? And they're pretty concentrated.
Yeah,
Gee.
man, they do. Yeah. Oh,
Right. Why is there a fucking duck? Oh, the
that's
timer.
the timer.
That is very.
All right, get it out of here. Get it out of my face. But listen, we should use the same prompt, but make it
Right.
interactive so we can add tickers and that'll do it.
Well, I mean, I can just tell it to change it, but I see. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see if I can change it
Yeah,
from here.
yeah, it'll be cool
Okay.
if we can do it.
Now,
Okay,
make.
don't say okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
make the
Don't humanize the AI, dude.
I love doing it, bro. I don't want because if
God.
not, I'll end up dehumanizing myself. I'm not speaking to people like they're machines, man. Okay, now that now make the dashboard
Clankers,
interactive.
man.
I can make the dashboard so that I can feed it any stock ticker and it shows me this information. Or
Also, just a run-on sentence, but whatever.
yeah. It's better also to be more to write more when you're
Dramatic thing,
prompting. Yeah,
Gotta be.
it's just gotta be nice to them, you know.
Yep. Sure.
Nice and explanatory, like they're an entry level worker.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, that's actually what they say. Beyond the whole thing of dehumanizing myself, it
Can
is
I go
good to
pee?
just sure, I guess.
Sorry. May I go pee?
You may.
Thank you.
Well, guys, what do we think here? If I were a rich man, what are we gonna see next? Also, I gotta figure that out. Okay, so if we're dumping this one, let's get rid of it. All right, and now let's also get rid of it here. Excuse me. All right. So then we next seen NVIDIA. NVIDIA.
We're doing NVIDIA now?
Yeah,
Oh, snap.
this one's gonna take a while.
Yep.
Do you see I saw some video of like the guy showing some new racks that he built. They take like terabytes or terabytes of I don't even know, like per second. Like they were saying like it was doing more traffic per second than the whole internet together in one rack. I'm like, what the fuck
Ooh.
is going on? Like the CEO of NVIDIA showing off
Oh.
like a new product they built. It's basically a whole integrated rack of GPUs. But it's like the main thing was like this spine that connects them, like each GPU, like the transferring of information between chips. And he was saying that it could, that it could move terabytes per second, and I don't know how many. And he was comparing it to the internet traffic, like the whole internet traffic across the whole internet. It was doing like all of that and faster. It's
Man.
like, what the hell? Yeah, that's also like, I don't know if I was telling you or my father about this company that I saw that they're trying to do like fiber optics, but inside of chips. So you know how like fiber optics, instead of using electrons within metal, it's like photons within glass, and that's way faster, right? Because you're going at the speed of light and you don't like lose so much to friction. And they're doing that, but instead of, well, they're trying to apply to the vias, like the little cables inside of a chip, like those metal things. So instead of doing that with metal, they're doing it with glass. So right now it's like big ones, but they'll try to make it smaller and smaller. Because we've gotten to the point in which you cannot make transistors smaller. So if you can make it more efficient at the transfer of information between the transistors, then the chip itself will be able to do faster operations. Because you can transfer the information from one transistor to the other faster. I'm like, yeah. Wait, okay, so this guy finished, I think, with the dashboard? Included NVIDIA already? Okay, but is this the same one then? Doesn't look like it. Is it? Then I go here? Yeah, okay. Hello, John. 1 second. So, but he already... Okay, interesting. I don't know. Okay, so if I put... I wonder if it'll be able to... Like, if I put another one that is not in here... Like...
You're already looking at NVIDIA right now, by the way.
I know. I want to see, because he said he built it for this. So I wonder if I put a new one.
Mm-hmm.
In the search bar, again, enter. The framework is now extensible. You can easily add more stocks by adding entries to the stock database object. Okay. To fetch live data from financial data providers. Okay, so then I'll change the... So, right, so if I search this, that doesn't... Okay, but let's search. Let's check NVIDIA for now. Right, it doesn't even work anyway. Yeah, I feel like we'll just... It's better to just build the whole dashboard every time, because this is still showing monolithic.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe Google can do a better job than this.
Just go and copy the prompt and...
Is there anything else we want from these people? For this one, specific?
No, we'll see what it gives us. We can figure shit out on our own, too.
Okay.
If we need to, you know.
Yeah, we will. I mean, for this one specifically, I wanna know more. It's so expensive. Well, it is inexpensive. I keep thinking that it is just because of how high they run up. But
Yeah.
I mean, again, what worries me about it is the sustainability of the revenue growth. But if you do believe that it is,
Look at that. Look at that, dude.
What? It sounded like a mouthful, right?
Those numbers make me salivate, bro. Look at this shit. My God.
Yeah, that's wild, bro.
The absolute scale of those numbers is crazy. Like it's just to think about the like 130 billion. Like you
And
did an
that
extra
coming out of
70
60,
billion of
yeah.
in 1 year, dude. My goodness. Like say 80% margins as well, dude. The whole world is just giving them money.
Yeah.
Right. So
How are they so
wow,
like? How are they
look
so
at this.
differentiated? Like, why is it so hard to make these things, man?
They were just
They're first.
yeah, they were just first and they do it the best. I don't think what they do is really hard to replicate, but they just do it so well,
I mean, it
and
must
they were like
be.
ahead of demand.
It must be
Like
hard.
their build out, the thing that they built out like 4 years ago, everybody's building out now to try to catch up. You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Because it's really the data centers. Like they built them all the data centers out so quickly, and now other companies are kind of trying to do the same thing, but it's gonna take time. So like until then, but it's you're right in thinking that like this advantage, I don't think it's gonna last forever. That's like the one issue that I have with them as well. Because it's just insane. Like, think about how much money they're getting from these big customers that have infinite resources to do the same thing that they're doing. You know what I mean? And that's kind of what
Hmm.
you're seeing right now. Is like every company is trying to do that.
Yeah. Also, I mean, again, if they're disciplined in how they use this lot of money that they're getting, it's fine. Like if they know that eventually that will go away, because it's also like there's a bunch of cash in the economy. So the moment that kind of gets strained, if they're ready to like pivot into more defensive stuff, like I mean, let's see. They probably, yeah, exactly. They're still doing amazing in terms like they're not going hard. I mean, they are going hard, but like they're still keeping a cash pile. How
40
much does
billion.
that cover in terms of
It's not just cash. You got to look at the equivalents as well.
for 50 billion in operating expense? I mean, I guess that doesn't cover much then.
No,
Yeah.
no. Short-term
Right.
investments is there too.
Oh, yeah, good point. Yeah. Cash and short term is 40. So they have 1 year basically. Yeah, and they're
Mhm.
scaling it basically at that rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting away from them a little bit, but yeah. I wonder because there's also maybe there's short-term investments. Yeah, they shouldn't be risky or anything. They just
They're not. Yeah, they're not thinking
yeah.
about. They're not
Oh
thinking about what
no,
you're thinking
but
about at all, bro.
I think they should to some extent. I mean, I think they are to
You
some
know.
small extent because if not, why do they have this here? Like they have doubled it basically.
Their biggest their biggest problem, which mind you, it's not a real problem, but for the stock itself, the biggest problem is just the insane comps that they're gonna have to face. Because as soon as this company
Oh,
dips
I'm
to
not
like,
buying the stock at this point. It's not even if it's at a good valuation. There's too
I
much
didn't say
attention on
it.
it.
I didn't say it because you're buying the stock.
Well, then why would I care? I mean, like you're saying, like the stock might dip because of comps. I'm like,
Yeah, I'm saying it
sure.
because we're looking at the stock. We're like
No,
we
no,
talked
yeah, okay.
about.
I'm not saying what you're saying is not a good point. I'm just saying,
It is,
what does
yeah.
it change
Good
in the
point.
sense of like, are we not trying to figure out whether the company is good or not? And then the stock
Mhm.
price might go down. Like, I'm not saying, like, at least the way I'm looking at it is not like I'm trying to figure out if the stock will go up from here. It's more like, is this a company that in 10, 20 years will be as big or bigger? And then we try to find a way to enter into it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, yeah,
So
but
again, my
anyway.
point is valid.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to dismiss your point. I guess I did sound like that. I probably was trying to dismiss it, but I didn't mean to. Yeah. Like,
Yeah, it's just
anyway.
like I'm saying we can get it cheaper most likely, and it's
Yeah,
kind of
okay,
relevant to
fair.
what you're saying.
No, it is, it is, it is. I'm sorry, yeah. It definitely is. But yeah, so
Uh,
continue with what you were saying, my bad. So you're saying basically
that's
because of
it.
the comps, like the stock is gonna go down.
Yeah, like because once it's at like yeah, like whatever they guide to, if it's less than
Hmm.
triple digit revenue growth, which is insane to say, but
Yeah.
if it is, then it's like comps start to get a little bit funky.
So you think right now the stock is trading because if the valuation is not that crazy, then are they really trading with the expectation that revenue growth will continue to be as crazy? Because wouldn't it be trading by much more? Like for example, the one that we just
They
looking at,
are.
the monolithic was like a 90
Oh,
PE. This is not a 90 PE, right? So maybe
yeah, yeah.
So maybe to some extent they are expecting it to
No,
like
in a lot of
slow
ways,
down.
yeah. I mean, it's just like also the fact that it's just so big is like
Hmm.
it can't come if it commanded like 100 times PE, the company would be worth like $10 trillion. It'd be just like insane.
Yeah.
There's not
In
enough money in the world to push the valuation much higher, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. Like, you'd have to
right.
take the entire fucking 10-year US
Ah.
GDP and put it into
Ah. Okay.
Nvidia
Okay.
stock
Okay. Okay. There's not enough money to catch up with.
in the whole world, you know?
Right.
Like,
Right. That's
if
so
there
funny.
was,
That's
yeah,
so
it's crazy
funny.
to think about. Like, it's just, you'd have to summon up another $5 trillion. Like, it's insane.
Right, because so much money, like so much money from the economy is concentrating on this company's income statement that for the
Yeah.
valuation to catch up, a lot of money from the financial markets we have to also concentrate, which already is, but not to the same extent. Right,
Yeah.
that's a good
Yeah.
theory for why the valuation wouldn't catch up. Is
It's
that
so
when the
low. Yeah.
numbers inside the company are so crazy that that the money's in the money in the financial markets cannot catch up to the trend, even if
Yeah.
people are
There's,
interested.
there's not enough money. It's just, it's like never been seen before, bro.
All the money is in their income statement, not in the valuation. Right, that's funny.
Mhm.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, they have all the money
Yeah,
that
exactly.
would be
So
needed
so you
to keep
cannot
the
sell
valuation
and buy
higher.
the stock. I mean,
It's
obviously
crazy.
that's an exaggeration, but to a point that is
Yeah, of
true
course.
though. But yeah.
Other companies, like, actually, no, not even. Because other companies, I would say, like, have the same amount of, I guess they do. Like, Amazon probably has this similar cash pile to them.
Mm.
But those companies, like Amazon and Google right now, trade at, like, I'd say, like, similar valuations with obviously not triple-digit revenue growth.
Yeah, but look at this though. Like they definitely are not expecting demand to slow down at all. The last
Hmm.
quarter, they already like their inventories continue to grow.
Yeah,
Like they're gonna
for this
keep
type of
getting bought.
company, I think it's like it's hard for us. The kind of analysis that we'd have to do is more like
Whoa.
investigative research, you know?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. But then also like that, like this is like you know what I'm saying like work in progress. Like in terms of how healthy the demand, like that what you were saying about the guidance and stuff. I don't think it's gonna
Mhm.
slow down yet. I mean, work in
Mm-mm.
progress is double what it was the quarter before, and then you know
Yeah,
obviously way higher than it was compared to last year.
dude, we're just starting. Like, how think about how many
Bruh.
like AI has been what around for like a year max, you know? Like, we're just getting started
Well,
with all this with all this
sort of.
shit.
I was still working at
Yeah, LLMs, I mean, like
three,
specific.
4. No, but ChatGPT came out when I was still working. So that's at the bank. So was that 2, 3 years? Yeah, let's say 2 years and a half. I think it was
Okay.
3, more like 3. But yeah, I see what you mean. It's still early, yeah. And it's very competitive too, which is what I think is good for companies that are underlying it. Because like Google against ChatGPT and Claude against ChatGPT and Google, and then all the
Hmm.
other minor companies doing compute on all of them.
But then,
Yeah.
and this company controls the flow of all of those, by the way, as of right now.
Yeah, right. Not all except for Google, I suppose. But yeah.
No, even Google, I don't think. I think it's
I mean, Google has their
Google's
own
trying to
thing.
get away from them, but it hasn't happened yet.
You think so? I
Yeah,
don't
go to
know.
the dashboard.
Is
Go to the
Google?
dashboard.
Yeah, I see. One second. A customer of Nvidia. Major customer. There we go. Good
Yeah,
point. Good
billions,
point.
brother.
Even while they're building its own computing chips. I see. So I thought it was the opposite. I
Yeah.
thought they were already ahead with the TPUs.
No, it's building the chips, but they're not using them yet. But
I
that's
mean,
like
they
every company
are,
is
but
doing
not.
this.
Yeah, not to that extent, right?
Every company is doing this now, which is the issue. Is like every company is trying to get away from it because they
That's
realize,
what you meant earlier. I see. I see.
yeah, that's the issue. Because they're realizing like how much money they're giving them, bro. It's like it's crazy. And they also know that the CapEx demand is gonna only increase. Like it's not gonna be like, okay, we're giving, I don't know, however many hundreds of billions to Nvidia per year, but that number will stay the same or come down. It's not. It's only gonna go up. So it's like they're like, yeah, we have to use our resources, and they have the
Mm.
resources. You know, it's like,
Yeah, Microsoft already built into.
mhm,
Right, and
everybody,
Meta already
even
saw Meta was doing. Apple is already doing it too. Right, why
yep, and
wouldn't it?
Amazon.
Yeah, so I guess we'll check that. We definitely have to go, like what you were saying, deeper into the mode, basically the technological mode of what they
Yep.
got going on. SWOT.
That's the whole thing. That's why it's hard to analyze because like we're for these in general now like for
Damn.
when we're building a portfolio and trying to have an edge, it's like we're never gonna get our edge here because it's
No,
like
right.
there's millions of people, millions of minds, and millions of dollars going into the research of these exact companies. You know,
Yeah.
we need to look at like some small shit that nobody cares about, and then that's where we can have an edge to figure out if it's to figure out the real valuation of it. This thing is like everybody knows, you know.
Yeah. Right. That's why it's like I feel
Tough.
like the screeners going for growth at a high valuation is why I'm like that's harder to find things that people are not looking at because we're looking exactly at things that are growing fast and people are buying.
No, yeah,
But
that's
yeah,
why when you see growth at a reasonable valuation, it
yeah,
kind of tips your hat to it shows you that like oh like maybe people aren't looking at this.
yeah,
I mean, I think
unstoppable.
HDMR is a perfect example. Like,
Yeah,
how can a company growing at 100%, like whatever it is, 50%, be
yeah,
trading at? I mean, not anymore because now it's
yeah.
kind of
Now
higher.
it's getting up there
When we
for
first
sure.
started, it was like 10 PE. It was
Right.
like something is wrong. And then there was a few red flags like customer concentration, all that stuff. But
Yeah,
it's like, dude, if you see that their customers are like they need them and they have a bunch of patents on the thing that they do, you know that there's like a moat essentially, you know.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. But
Malakowski.
one Seeking Alpha article is like will ruin your whole. As like a small cap value investor, one Seeking Alpha article can ruin your whole shit.
Why? Oh, I see. Right, because
Yeah.
there's few people
Because that's what
covering.
happened. That's what happened with Hims, by the way. Like Hims was so cheap, and then it got caught on like Twitter. Like Twitter heads started looking at it, and then it was just like GG.
Hmm.
The company like did like 400% in like half a year,
Right.
which is not bad. Obviously, I'm not complaining, but it just makes you. It gets to the point where you're like, oh, I was really planning on holding this for a long time, but then you're like, okay, I can't hold it anymore because it's just insanely overvalued now. You know, just
Yeah.
happens so quick.
I wonder though. I mean, I feel like in those situations, you can always just hold. Yeah, but I see like in terms of capital
Keep
allocation,
holding it.
but you just
Yeah,
hold it. Yeah, but just hold it.
you should just keep holding it. Yeah.
Yeah. But
I
it's
mean, dude,
tough.
look at. I think about that lady. Like, I sold all my
Mm-hmm.
Palantir
Right, the
shares
Palantir
between like
thing.
50 and 60. She's held it. Kind of like, if you ask me, I'd be like, that's dumb. But like, she's done 400% more than me in terms of return. So it's like,
Yeah.
who's the dumb one, really? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Fair. I mean, but again, it's always like, well, it will. It's the whole thing of like even going against the market. It's like the best thing is to not go against the market, but then also when it's so overvalued, it's like you should build cash for when the market goes down so you can buy it, right? So you
Yeah,
could
yeah.
say
But
the
I'm
same
starting to think
theory
about it.
applying to one stock. What?
Starting to think about it, right? Because like what we don't think about is like, okay, let's say you bought Palantir at 10, right? It went to 50. You did 400%.
Mm-hmm.
You sold, it went to 200. That person did like 10,000% or whatever.
Yeah.
Now, let's say there's a big market downturn and Palantir loses 50% of its market cap. She's still at a better cost than me because it's gonna go to
Right.
100. You know what I'm saying? Like it'd have to
Yeah.
be some company like some genuinely catastrophic event or like you know what I mean to make the stock go to even the point that I sold it at when
Yeah.
I was up 100%. You know, it's like it's crazy. Basically, what I'm trying to say is like when markets run, then a correction still doesn't get you to the point where it's cheap from when you first owned it.
No, 100%. I'm not saying like you would
Yeah.
lose if you don't get out. It's more on the sense of if I get out when it's high, right? It's the timing of the markets, which is like, yeah, you shouldn't time the market, but at the same time,
Uh-huh.
to an extent, with a margin of safety, it's a good idea because it's like, I mean, because it's like Warren Buffett might say that, but then he has a lot of cash, so he is timing the market in the sense like if everything is expensive and you build cash, you're timing the market. I mean, you're just saying everything's expensive, so I'll sell here and there everything, something that is like I consider to be very
Yeah.
overvalued. To have cash to buy more, that's what I mean with like yes, the stock if it goes down, it's not like your cost is gonna like get ruined. You're still making money out of it, but now because you sold some of it at a really high valuation, you can buy more. So that's kind of my like. I mean, I guess
Yeah.
I'm playing devil's advocate because in the most cases, or most cases, I would agree with the
Yeah,
idea of holding. But
you can trim around your positions, but you also have to keep in mind that when you're trimming and then thinking like, oh, I'll just pick it up
right,
for cheaper, you
yeah,
are also introducing a tax effect
yeah,
where it's
yeah,
like,
yeah. That's a good point.
are you gonna get it 30?
Yeah,
Like, because taxes, you're gonna pay like what 20%?
yeah,
Are you gonna get it 20% plus more cheaper? Like, it's tough.
yeah.
Taxes really factor a lot, like into
Hmm.
the. I mean, that's why I'm telling you that lady's just like she's been around the game. She knows. She might not be the smartest because she's never like been in finance, but
Yeah,
she has like real
she's
life experience.
wise. Yeah,
She knows taxes and all that kind of stuff.
yeah,
Taxes would ruin her, bro, and then she'd have to wait for a 20+% dip to get the same cost basis after taxes. You get it? Like,
yeah. Yep.
it's tough shit. It's better just own it at like skyrocketing valuations and say
I
like,
mean,
all right,
that's what
whatever,
they
man.
say. It's, I mean, and since I found out, it really is the best way to go about it, which is like rich people is like they own the stock, they let it go up, and then they loan against it. So if they need cash, they ask a loan that is overridden or underwritten.
Yeah,
Sorry.
mind you, that's what she does. That's what she does. She has like a
Yeah.
$30 million portfolio,
Right.
and she's like 10 million in debt.
Yeah, because it makes sense. You like ask for a loan, and you're like, if I don't pay this back, then you can take this stock. So you basically selling it, but you're not selling it right
Yeah.
away. You're just saying,
Yeah.
if I'm able to pay this back, then I'm not selling the stock. And then even you could even do that, right? If the stock goes down, then you just default on the loan, and then you're like, okay, take the stock. It's worth shit now. So,
Yeah, dude, literally,
oh my
like
god, that's so
yeah,
genius.
building your asset base
And
is
never
like
selling, right?
core thing to just building wealth is like, yeah, just never sell, never like avoid taxes like the
Yeah.
plague, like
Right.
genuinely.
If you have debt, it's like you flip the whole thing on its head because you never sell, therefore you never have to pay taxes on it. And now every time you gotta pay interest on your debt, you can you can
Yeah.
use that to not pay
And
taxes.
she lets her dividends. She doesn't do drip on her dividends. So
What's drip? Oh, like the reinvesting?
the reinvestment, yeah, she just lets her dividend pay down the debt every month or every quarter or whatever it is.
Right. I mean, she has to pay taxes on those dividends, but it's lower tax, right? Taxes on dividends?
No, it's like
it's
50%.
Oh, okay.
No, it's the same as I think it's the same as capital gains.
Well, in some states it isn't, but yeah, but I don't know how different it is. Like I know this because they have different names. Like one thing is taxes on income, and the other one is taxes on capital gains. So it must be different, right?
No, but dividends aren't income. I don't.
No, they are. I'm pretty sure that's the differentiation there. Because capital gains is on the sale of an asset, a dividends and income that comes from an asset.
Yeah.
All right. So what do these people have? GPU, product architecture, data center, the Hopper. Not the guy from. I finished Stranger Things. I mean, there's still one episode left.
Yeah,
But
me too.
pretty fun.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I like
It's a
when the
kid's
guy came out the
thing.
closet.
Oh my god, I knew that shit was happening. Since the moment that he's talking to the lesbian girl, I'm like, I mean, and just the demeanor of the kid, but
I'm surprised
yeah.
they waited like that long for it to
Yeah.
happen. Like they've been hinting at it for like the whole like 2 seasons now, bro.
Right. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so
Blackwell.
capital gains.
Oh, you're looking at the tax thing?
Yeah.
Gaming and consumer RTX. Automotive and edge.
They're getting rid of their entire GPU. Like the whole thing that started the company is
Yeah.
GPUs. They're getting rid of it completely. They're not making GPUs anymore, I don't think.
Well,
at
they
least-
definitely are, but yeah, like it's not their biggest.
No, I'm saying they just announced it, I think.
Oh,
that they're
really?
stopping.
Oh.
I think so, yeah.
I mean, there's other companies doing similar things, like Micron. Like they're not gonna sell RAM, and it's like it was one of their like most people when they bought RAM. So many people when they bought RAM. They buy Micron ones.
So capital gains and qualified dividends, which I don't know what those are taxed the same, but ordinary dividends are taxed at ordinary income.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe qualified dividends is like ones that it's like a stock dividend. And then you selling basically the stock to get them.
No, to qualify. Oh, wait, to qualify, you must hold the stock for more than 60 days during the 121-day period surrounding the ex-dividend day. So if you so if you hold the stock for long periods of time, then they're qualified.
And qualified is the one that is taxed as income, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, makes sense.
That's
Right,
like if
'cause
you hold the stock just for less than 121 days.
okay, fair enough.
Oh, 60 days. 60 days. 60
Yeah,
days.
like basically they're trying to avoid people buying the stock just to get the dividend and then be
Just
taxed.
yeah.
But
Even
again,
though
is
that's
there a difference in terms of how much you're taxed? Is capital gains? It must be, right? Capital gains must
yeah,
be a
capital
higher
gains is lower.
tax.
No, it's
Lower.
lower. Yeah.
Huh.
0, 15, or 20, depending on the time period. So if you have capital gains that are short term, as in like you held this company for less than a year, that's taxed as ordinary income. If you've held the stock for
Oh,
more than a
okay.
year, that's
I'm
taxed at a lower
realizing.
rate.
I'm realizing that it doesn't matter. Like the reason why she's not repurchasing doesn't matter. Like she's still gonna get taxed on those dividends as income, regardless of whether she spends that income on buying more stock or not. So the fact that she's using it to pay the debt, it just helps her because of the debt. Like that's what's helping
Oh
her
yeah,
taxes. Right,
yeah,
right.
even if you reinvest them, yeah, they're taxed.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're still
100%.
taxed as income. Yeah, yeah. No, I don't know what I was thinking exactly. Yeah.
That's no matter what. That's a for life thing.
Jeez. Yeah, it's like right. It's like they were a company that was like only mainly selling GPUs to gaming, and now it's only 7% of their revenue.
hmm
That's insane,
I'm telling you, bro.
bruh.
From 15 billion, from 6 to 15 to 53.
Yeah, and it's interesting too because it's like the other revenue has gone down. It's not that it's gone down only on a percentage. So
Because
so
they
oh,
just don't
because they're
care.
not producing it. It's not that
Yeah.
they're losing market share. It's that they're not producing as much.
No, yeah, they're producing less and less. Yeah.
Wow.
They don't care anymore. So they
Right.
know like some smaller company will come in and make GPUs because like they don't care.
Also, the fact that
Also,
like more and more people. I mean, it's not a super common, but
like
the
we should
idea.
start a company that makes GPUs. You know,
Wait, who said what?
me and you should start a company that makes GPUs.
Yeah, yeah. I'm excited for that. Yeah, GPUs. That's a new thing to get into now. But yeah, one thing that I'm thinking of now, since you were saying that too, because it's like, should we get into this now? Because it's like, should we then start looking into a company that is more likely to be a buy target for us, or? Because it's
Um,
like it's gonna be either at a high valuation, like we would have to wait for it to go down.
yeah, we can leave it alone. This is the whole point of research, bro. Is like you can just decide if you want to own it or not, and then if what you're seeing makes you think that it's too hard or that you don't have an edge or that you don't want to buy it, then
Yeah.
you go away from it. We can revisit it at some point, you
No,
know what I
I'm
mean?
definitely
But
revisiting. It's more like I know this is
the
gonna.
whole
I mean,
beauty of
all
it
of
is
them are
that
gonna take a bunch
the whole
of
beauty of it
time.
is that now it's in your mind, right? So now as you go on, as time goes on, right, there might
Yeah.
come a point in time where markets drop. This thing goes from 100 whatever. What was it trade for like 190? It goes
Hmm.
from like 190 to like 130, and you're like, oh wait a second, like this actually might be cheap now if they continue to execute and the price just goes down and you can look at it again. You get what I'm saying? Like it's one of those things where
Yeah.
we don't have to do a detailed analysis on everything to figure out that it's that it's shit or that we don't want it or whatever. In this case, it's not shit, but if we're making if we want to be if we want to be focused investors and have like a small portfolio of maybe like 5 to 10 names,
Hmm.
we don't need to have Nvidia in there. You know?
Right. At least not yet. That's why. But it does. I know definitely
Not
that I
yet,
don't want
exactly.
to have it yet. So that's why I'm like, should we research it just cause and then have it parked? But I'm like, what's the point if it's gonna be changing
No, there's
constantly?
no actionable thing that can
Right.
come from it.
So that's,
There's
yeah.
literally
I'm adding this new column now here. Well, more columns if I can to the watch list. I want to see what is cheapest. Like out of a whole list, I feel like it makes more sense we start researching the one that is cheapest.
okay.
Let's see here. Well, I guess let's have that.
Theta? Why would you
Theta?
want to have Theta?
I don't have Theta. I put sub industry, bro. What are you talking about?
Oh, I thought you clicked Theta. I was like, what? This guy's moving mad.
Put to core ratio.
No.
Well, I mean, I wish they gave us more things. There's not
You want
much.
to do you want to do PE.
I have PE. That's
Oh.
the ones in red are the ones that I don't have.
That's all you care
Yeah, I
about.
feel like yeah. Okay, so I guess we are good here.
Sorry, is yield dividend yield or earnings yield?
Yeah, I was thinking of that too. I don't know,
Good.
but I said it. I mean, it's not like
Don't be scared, bro. You know.
yeah.
I know you're scared.
I have a bit. P here, square, nice. Has
Let's
0.
go. Let's
So
go.
they're still
dude.
losing money, these people? Also, why is there negative PEs here? And this one is just blank.
You mad, bro?
Lemonade, BYFC. Where's that? Oh,
You
bank.
mad, bro? Yeah, that's the
Healthcare,
bank stuff.
life and health, healthcare, managed healthcare. So it seems like we're gonna have to go with healthcare. Or the Rocket Lab though.
You
Or
mad, bro?
Square. We could just start with Square. I mean, I don't know what
Brother,
because we're not getting the info.
A negative P means they're not making money. You get that, right?
But then why Square not even have a PE?
That one specifically, I don't know.
Okay.
But the cheapest is that one, GMAB. That's the cheapest, but that's a biotech, so it's all bullshit. What's Calm?
I mean cheap. Yeah, I see what you mean. Right.
Yeah,
Calm.
this is the cheapest.
Packaged foods. Yeah, I guess we start there then. Also,
we just start here.
I wonder who, who. Calmain Foods engages in the production, grading, packaging, and marketing and distribution of shell
Potatoes.
eggs.
Oh, really?
Wait, what did you say?
Nothing.
Okay. Offers specialty shell eggs, including cage-free, organic, brown, free-range, and pasture-raised. This is the one that is eggs, then. Production, grading, packaging, marketing, and distribution of shell eggs.
Vital Farms showed up on one of my screeners the other day.
We looked at it. I don't know why we
Yeah,
rejected it though. Did we
didn't
reject?
reject it.
Oh,
No, it's that.
oh, okay.
It's good. I'm worried though because it's most of these guys are doing really well right now because the price of eggs has just skyrocketed.
Well, but then why is the P at 3?
Because the price of eggs has skyrocketed.
Yeah, but why would it be bad? You know, if they're at a small price, if they're at a cheap price for us.
Yeah,
can
yeah. I'm
take
just
the
saying
risk.
like the egg prices will probably come down.
Why? Why would they come down when inflation continues to rise? They're not stopping to pump money into the economy.
It's too
Yes.
expensive.
So what are they gonna do? Price control it?
Yeah.
Well, that's worse because
No,
then
there's consumer demand will just dissipate if the price becomes too expensive, and then they
I
have to
don't
lower the
know.
price.
Everybody loves eggs, bro.
Right now, yeah.
That's insane, bro. Alright,
Eggs
but
are
I feel like that's
benefiting.
gotta be
Eggs are
skewed.
benefiting from like a change in stigma. Essentially, remember back in the day, it was like too many eggs give you cholesterol, but then that myth has been
Debunked.
debunked. Yeah, it's like they don't, and so now people are just eating a crazy amount of eggs.
Uh-huh.
So the price of eggs has gone up because of demand, but also because of inflation.
Uh-huh.
And it's been really good for these companies because obviously nobody wants to buy these companies. It's like these companies don't get a lot of. What's the market cap, real quick before
4
we go
billion.
on?
Yeah, no, I checked it. Yeah, 4 billion.
4 billion.
So I'm trying to
Nice.
normalize now. Exactly. Yeah, this crazy income is. Yeah, I see what you mean with. You're saying this is,
Yeah,
but we can make a good average here.
Yeah.
Because they made
Egg prices
600
are
here.
out of control, dude. It's just insane.
Like, what would be the average there? Like 500 million?
Have you bought a carton of eggs in America in the last year?
I'm not.
My God.
I don't live in America. Oh, I see. You're saying that's
Taking
expensive, right?
We're taking the piss, bro.
But then again, I don't think that's good for us. Like, I don't see why that wouldn't be. I feel like that's
think
more sustainable than
before-
AI compute. Like, I feel like people will stop paying for ChatGPT before buying eggs.
Before buying eggs,
It's eggs,
yeah.
bro. Especially in
Well,
America,
no.
people breakfast eggs.
You want to know? Oh, you want to know something? And this is the type of investing called like
600.
social arbitrage investing. Fucking sardines,
Oh, I
dude.
love
Like
sardines,
if we find a cheap little sardine company, we can make a fucking killing. Because bro,
Why?
because I swear to God, I've been seeing these TikTok trends of like people like getting really hyped about sardines.
I'm dead.
So like I'm telling bro,
Like,
they're-
oh, you think, oh,
sardine
you're
prices-
saying it's more like you're talking about like now, just yeah, like you say market arbitrage, right? Like you see it's becoming a trend.
Yeah,
Sardines.
yeah.
Interesting. I
I'm
love
telling you, bro.
sardines.
Sardines, yeah. So sardines are really good for you, and so now the health and fitness community has started pushing sardines. They're like, like the gym bros are pushing it, the
Right.
holistic people are pushing it,
Omega
and
3.
the wellness people are pushing it too because the gym bros are like, oh, mad protein and cheap.
And the omega 3 and stuff, right? Oh, but you
The
said just
holistic
gym
are
bro,
like
right?
gym bros are just protein and cheap. Holistic is like all these vitamins, all these minerals, and cheap. And then same thing with the other ones too, is like omega threes, like daily dose of vitamin C, all this other shit.
Right.
I'm telling you, it's popping off, bro. And then chefs, TikTok chefs have this trend now where they're taking a can of sardines and they're dipping a paper towel in the oil from the sardines and then setting it on fire. And then the paper burns around, and then when it gets to the oil, it doesn't burn, but it heats. And then
Okay.
it makes the skin of the sardines in the can crisp. And you take
Oh.
the paper towel off, you throw it away, and then it becomes like cooked, like crispy shrimp, crispy fish inside the oil. And
So
it's
it's
like a
basically
trend.
like how to like fry canned sardines without equipment type of thing.
Like in the can, yeah. It's
Yeah.
like a new thing, and then they put it on bread or whatever. Bro, I'm telling you, the price of sardines is about to skyrocket, bro.
Let's see. Biggest distributor of canned sardines, America. Well, yeah, America. Why not? This is an American
Whatever,
thing.
yeah.
Anyway. Major global players. Thai Union Group. Oh no, Chicken of the Sea. Chicken of the Sea is perfect.
Yeah, that's the name of a brand.
There you go. It was owned by Thai Union Group. So it's a union though. Can I own them? Century Pacific Food, owner of Ligo.
Never heard of Lego brand.
Major supply imported seafood. Right, but what is the major global producers in let's see, these people have a stock. PCL. Was that Bangkok? Like BKK? Bangkok Exchange? Gotta be, right? Thailand? Bangkok is Thailand, right?
Bangkok is Thailand, yeah. Oh, they have a.
They're losing revenue.
This is in Thai baht, right? All these numbers.
Oh, yeah, probably. Yeah, THB. I mean, the revenue's going down. I mean, again, we don't
That's
know
like,
this
by
company.
the way, that 1280 Thai baht, that's like 30 cents.
Yeah, I mean, I just wanted to see the trend. Let's see, Century Pacific Food.
No, but that's the thing. We're ahead of that. Like we're ahead of it. Like we're predicting the trend.
Oh, yeah, I mean,
It's not gonna
come on
show up
now.
in the financials.
It's not gonna show already. Like if people are buying it, even if it's just for the video. By the way,
No, because this isn't
Uh-huh.
just now. Like this is this week I'm talking about.
I don't know if you're trolling, bro, but
I'm not straight up. I'm not trolling, bro.
no, I
really
don't think
believe,
you're
like,
trolling, but it's kind of like you sound like smirky about it. You sound
I
like
know, but I'm telling you, this is it, bro. Trust me on this.
what am
Bro.
I
Like,
looking at here? I don't know.
this is what I'm all about, dude. This is like when I told you we should buy Solomon's. Now everybody has fucking Solomon's.
What is Solomon's?
The shoes,
I don't know.
the Gore-Tex shoes. Remember, I was saying we should all buy a matching pair of Solomon's and wear them to the bar together.
Oh yeah, I remember you saying that. Why is this not
Yep.
showing up as a stock here?
Solomon's the new thing now.
Oh, it's Philippine. Okay, so there must be a lot of sardines in the Philippines or something, and in
Yeah,
Thailand,
they have a lot of
South China
fish.
Sea or whatever.
They have a lot of fish, bro.
The currents.
This is nice. This is little emerging market exposure as well with this pick. I'm fucking with it even more. Let me add this to my own personal watch list.
I mean, I don't mind adding it. It's just more like, okay, you want to
No,
look at it now?
You don't have to. You don't like outperforming. I get it. Show me the ticker again, real quick.
Oh yeah.
Good boy. TU
CNPF.
TNPF. Oh,
CNPF.
No.
Yeah, Century Pacific Food, Philippine base, CNPF. In the Philippine Stock Exchange, by the way. So CNPF, PHS.
Can you look up Century Pacific Foods ADR?
20p. What?
Century Pacific Foods ADR. Yeah, stock ADR or yeah, whatever ADR. No, I can't find it on Schwab.
I mean, they don't sell it in Schwab.
They sell everything on Schwab.
All right, let's see. No, no. I hate this stuff, man. There we go. No, of course you're not gonna just work. Alright, whatever. CNPF. What is it? Century Pacific? Oh, I can't do it like that. Okay, what if I put it here? Century Pacific. Nothing? At all?
Not even something.
That's so weird. Not even something. C NPF. Yeah, I guess it's just. Okay, I cannot even do a column. Okay. Whatever. Okay. I want to invest in sardines demand. What US stock
No,
is
just do
best?
what? Okay.
No?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
No pure play. Oh, yeah, that's fair though. But major
Bumblebee.
sardine brands, Starkist.
Yeah, Bumblebee and Starkist. Yeah, but
Subsidiaries. Oh, so they are subsidiaries of the Thai people. Okay,
damn, that's sick.
we didn't charge for that one. But PCL, does that mean? No, that doesn't mean that it's not public, right?
No, yeah.
Search for TU. I'll search it one second.
I got it. I mean, you could do it too for the
Right.
stream.
For the stream. Talis. No, it's
No.
a different one.
It has to be TU ADR. Like you gotta find the ADR. What is this?
International markets. I thought that would change something.
Not
But...
him, bro. No, you gotta go their ADR ticker. They probably should. I mean, they should have one, right?
Ah,
Tough
there we
B.
go. Tough B. Tough B. Oh, there it
Found
is.
it.
Wait.
Beautiful.
So what about the other one? Was it Pacific Union?
It's
What
too
was it?
small to have.
Okay.
I mean, you could check if you want.
No,
to,
I
but
guess I don't want to check
I already
anymore.
I already did. You have a 5% dividend yield.
That's okay. That's mid. No, actually, I said a bit above
5%
mid.
is mid.
No.
Look at that. Crazy.
Growing dividend. But I want to
Crazy.
see nothing. They don't
Their
have the statements.
They do.
What? No.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Yeah, well, let's see.
We need to assess what the market capitalization of this company is first.
Oh,
It's not going to be as easy as you think.
it's not gonna tell us.
I don't know.
How do you know? How did you know?
Been around the block.
Oh, look, we have them right here. All right, give me the
Yeah, but we
annual.
don't have the market cap. Now you got to go to 2024 to get the annual.
What is this? No, that's not what I'm looking for. That's just...
Look at that guy.
Oh,
It
like it
was-
was right there? No.
No, I was just looking at the guy.
Yeah. No, I see what you mean. It's right
He
here.
looked mad as hell.
Me? Oh, that
No,
guy. Yeah, the guy in the picture. Yeah, I remember now. My bad. I have audited and consolidated the statements. Right, so they're not gonna tell us though, like the worth of the stock. It should be somewhere here, no?
No,
Come on now.
I'm
Alright.
telling you, it's not.
Okay. Tough B, we said it was, right? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Market cap.
Nice try, buddy.
It's right there.
Where? Oh, okay.
I'm just thinking of whether to put it in US dollars or not, but let's see the statement.
No, because the statements are in also Thai baht, so we're good.
Thai baht.
1,000
bats.
baht.
Oh, they gotta put it in thousands just like all the time. No, right? That must be like Thai, right? Yeah, okay. 57 million. 57,000. Yeah, 57,000 million. So, and then we have
57 billion. Go to their right here. Damn, I can't even see it. It's
Oh,
too
my
small
bad.
for me. But well, it's not. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. You could do one smaller. For my
I think
ADD.
this is good. It's fitting the screen.
This is fucking up my LCD, but it's fine.
Why? Because you don't see the margins or what?
Because like the part of the thing is not there, you know. Part of the screen is not there.
Hmm?
Like the horizontal scroll, I hate it. I hate when I get a horizontal scroll
Oh.
mechanism. But it doesn't matter. We're good. It's fine. Let's see. Go up to the years. Okay, so that's for the full year.
In
Wait.
December of last year.
Why is consolidated and separate? Okay, got it. All right, we only care about the consolidated.
I mean, they really aren't growing a lot, but not yet,
10,
right?
Yeah, but 10, not yet. But
Also, we
it's
haven't seen
trading at like
2025.
10,
Yeah.
10 times, even less.
Hmm. Right.
Mhm.
Yeah, right. It's less than 10 times. All right,
Yep.
I'm adding it.
That's all it takes. I mean, truly, that is all it takes. I'm not gonna
That's
lie.
what I'm saying. It definitely is like that's why I'm saying we should start with the smallest because it really is what makes it worth looking into.
Yeah. By the way, look up like it's gonna be so funny. Do 57 billion baht in
Would
in
this be
dollars.
food
Like,
processing?
so small cap. Yeah, I'd say so.
Oh yeah, let's put it just yeah. No,
Yeah,
1.6
Less
billion.
than two. Less than
That's
2 bill.
that's smart. That's small.
That's small. Yeah. It's
Oh wow,
bordering on micro.
wow. I should know that.
Yeah, I think micro is less than 500 million, and then small is from like 5 to 1 or something like that.
Okay.
I could be lying about that. I actually don't know, but it's kind of that. It's kind of similar.
Wait, let's see if there's any articles on these guys.
Mm, who the hell's covering this shit? You have a space between the tough. Yeah, nice. Ain't nobody covering this fucking shit, bro. News.
The collapse of Welsh rugby.
I guess because tough beef sounds kind of like rugby.
Global Expansion Award.
Let's go.
Signed the first blue loan for sustainable aquaculture.
Let's go.
Earnings call transcript. Mrs. Revenue forecast. Stock dips.
Mitsubishi scraps $205 million offer for Thai Union stake.
Oh, wow.
What per stake? Oh, 20%. 20% would value the company at.
Wait, but then they.
What's that?
Oh, pools offer.
Yeah.
Okay. What?
Yeah. I almost worked at this company. Did you know that?
Mitsubishi?
Financial.
Oh, this is
Mhm.
not the. Oh, I thought it was the cars.
It is. It's all one thing.
Oh, it's all the. Oh, I see. It is the cars.
Yeah, but they have a finance arm.
Are you sure it's not different people? Because it's just a last name from Japan.
Oh, no, but you see the logo right there, bro.
Is the same in the bank?
Yeah, why would a company
Why would a car
why would a
company?
car company-
Yeah, that's a good point, I guess. Wait, let's see. I don't know.
By the way, the name of that website is called intrafish.com. Yo, we're too deep, bro. We're too
Yeah,
deep.
no, we gotta move back a bit. No, you see, car company and the bank company are not the same. Oh wait, formerly in the. Oh no, still
It's the
Mitsubishi. Group.
Mitsubishi Group, yeah.
Okay. I'll shut up. now.
MUFG is the company I almost worked for, Mitsubishi Financial Group. They were telling me, I mean, they have an office in America, obviously. I wasn't about to go to Korea or wherever it is, but
Well, Japan.
Yeah, I had like a family friend works there in the IT department, and he got me like an interview, but I don't know, and it like never materialized. I didn't push it to be honest on my end, but it just
Right.
never materialized.
Yeah. Well.
They wanted me for the investor relations department. I'm like, I don't. That's not what I want to do.
Oh, so you'll be doing internal? Yeah. No, that's different. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not at all like what I want to
Not
do.
at all. Yeah. All right. Oh, this is still the tough B, but yeah, definitely at it. But we were looking at it will be in the same sector as what we were looking at, which is Calm, and
A
Calm
main.
is right here. Calmain, eggs and sardines. I mean, it's not a bad play for 2026. Eggs and
Beautiful stuff.
sardines. Okay. Calmain, largest producer in the city of shell eggs. Approximately 30 to 34% of the national market. The company operates a vertically integrated network of production, processing, and distribution. I love vertical integration, man.
What are their major brands?
8 million eggs per hour?
Wow.
Damn, that's some scale right there. Every
Insane.
hour, bro. That's insane. Wow.
Nah, the fact that like they just pulled
And
that metric.
in 30 females, these chickens are popping, bro.
49 facilities.
16 states. Coverage in terms
Yeah,
of
so actually, look at this. Q1 2025, they did
oh,
500 million of net income. That's insane, bro. They're on track to do 2
3.5x
billion.
quarter one of
Yeah,
2024.
they're on chart on if they're on course to do 2 billion of net income this year, that would be a 2 times PE forward. What does Schwab say their forward PE is? I'm pretty sure it's gonna say like around that number, right? Go down. Oh, all right, no, go up. Why you go so fast? Up more,
Why go so fast? Here,
up
no?
more, up more. It's up,
Okay.
up, right there.
It's the same thing anyway, but yeah, it's not.
Oh, 4P is higher.
Oh, this is 4P. Oh, what I was yeah, never mind, my bad.
That's price to earnings growth. An
So
important
they're
metric,
expected
honestly.
to not grow? Huh?
Yeah, in a way, that's kind of what that means. But like,
But that's what it should mean, no?
go to
Like
their statement.
it's future earnings, like it's current price divided by future earnings. Go to
Yeah.
statements.
Go to statements.
Maybe that's why the stock is down though. But what?
That
No,
would be fine by us, bro. Go to the income
no, I
statement.
know, I know.
Wait.
What?
2025, go up.
Oh wait, because it's out of the
They're
ordinary.
1 year. No, they're 1 year ahead. Go to their quarterly. 1.5 billion for this year.
I mean, they are definitely.
Six.
There's something
Nah,
here.
they're still growing.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
their revenue. I was looking at their income.
yeah,
Their
but
revenue is growing still.
yeah, but not at the same clip, I suppose. I mean, I always hate that they don't show me more quarters, bro. Let's go
Yeah,
to
you like you.
Weather
Go,
Boy.
go
You
to
like to know, Weather Boy.
yeah. Roik doesn't have quarterly, dude.
Oh shit.
We've been through this. You would need
Oh wait,
their
wait. Let's see here.
three
We'll
or
just go. Wait, maybe we have them
they're
here too, but no. But we go to the to the.
you would just need to go to their 10K.
No, we
Their, I
have
mean,
it
their
here. The where is it here? Right? Or no? Or maybe this thing doesn't show financials. I forgot if it did
no,
or
you
not.
could literally just ask it if you wanted to.
Right, but I don't want to get that deep into it. No, so let's go to that.
You could get that deep into it. What do you mean?
No, I
Yeah,
am.
we're good.
No, yeah, okay. So let's do it right now. It's like, but I don't like the prompting because then I gotta write the prompt. What is the platform that you show
Don't
me by the Strider guy or whatever the name is, the pharmaceuticals guy?
Godel,
Yeah, Gondel. Check it out. Wait, okay.
Godel Terminal. Why? Why?
Because I could
What?
see all the quarters there.
Oh, it
I know.
was
I think. Wait, I gotta do this again. Oh wait, if I do it.
X. No, X.
Too late, bro. Yeah, continue, man. I don't.
X.
There we go. Oh shit! I don't know where I am. Okay. What the hell do I
Over
do?
there, over here, over there,
No, that's
here,
not. What I just want to choose a stock, man.
over there,
I guess I
over
could have
here,
just done the prompt to be.
over
Okay.
there,
What is it that I'm looking? Calm.
over
Quick
there, over
quote. Quote. Okay.
here,
Quick quote of financials. I mean, that's it.
over
I
there,
do kind
over
of want
here,
to learn to use it. Not gonna lie.
over there, over here,
Financial.
over there,
Alright, let's see. Maybe from
over here,
here.
over there, over here.
Oh, this just gives me this.
Over there, over here.
Ugh.
Over there, over here.
I am done. Yeah, whatever. That didn't work my way.
Over there, over here.
Yo, stop. Okay? What do you want
No,
from me,
that
man? I give up. You win. How should we go about this? How do we get it? I asked here?
SEC. SEC.
SEC, but no,
Investor
but then
relations.
I'm not gonna be able to see more than 4 quarters.
Yeah, you can.
Alright, wait. How about
Yeah, open up SEC 10Qs and you see it. Why are you resisting?
I'm coming. I'm just gonna send this. I'm just gonna send this.
Don't resist. Just go to the
I'm
investor
good. I'm
relations.
good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh boy.
Oh, but I mean, you're doing it anyway on this now.
I know.
Investor relations drop down. No, there in the drop down at the top. SEC filings. Sort by year. First of all, get rid of all these other useless ones. Keyword 10. No,
Yeah.
keyword.
I know
Oh, yeah,
finance.
that works.
Well, and I
Yeah.
guess yeah. I see. Think.
No, that works. You can do the wait,
Yeah.
do the annual filings have quarterly data? I think they do.
Yeah, they should. All right. So
Yeah,
now.
check that one.
Wait, did I skip? Yeah, I skipped.
It's
Wait,
the one, yeah, it's the 2024.
this is it. This is the one.
No, that's the one you just opened, I think.
No, because I clicked on the wrong one. I think July. Oh no.
2025, 2023, 2022. You're missing 2024. Right there.
Where?
Oh.
Oh. Aye,
Yeah.
but I'm. Yeah, this is 2022. All right, 1 second. There we go. Okay. Yeah. 23, 24, 25. Okay.
Now go to the thing. Go down. Go down to the right there. Yep. And then find their statements. Why did you? What the hell
That's
did
not
you
it.
do? Oh, you found it. No, go back.
How do I go back?
Go all the way up, dude.
Yeah.
On the right. Oh, here too. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Just don't touch anything.
10K summary? No.
No, it's
Financial statements. Yeah,
Eight.
this, huh?
right there. Yep. Down, 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 down. All right. Perfect. Oh yeah, they only have yearly. You gotta go to the 10Qs.
Oh. Wait. Wait a second.
No, stop. Stop. They only have yearly, dude. It's the 10K. It makes sense. You have to go to the 10Qs. All right.
1 second.
Wait. We don't need the 2025 stuff because we have it. We need the 2024. No, we need 2024 and 2023.
Ugh, why
Oh,
did you have
okay.
to order it like that though? But I guess it works.
Oh, this is good. Why is it green? Wow.
Okay.
They had a good year in 2023, but it looks like they are just growing because like 2024 was lower, but Yeah. All right. This is the revenue? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this correct? Double check this with Schwab.
Oh, with the financial statement. But yeah, no, I guess just Schwab is easier.
Finances works too, but yeah.
Well, we
Go to
don't have
quarter.
this quarter, but yeah.
Oh yeah, they're
No,
correct.
they are correct, yeah.
All right, cool. Cool.
Wait, but then
So
what I want to say
700,
Q1 of
923 to 786,
923 on Q1 of 25. So
786,
then 786 here.
and then 658 in the good year. So they're gonna have what it looks like another good year.
It is their weakest quarter, the first one.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
Q4
And they
is
perform very
weak.
well. Mm,
Their Q4 is weak.
not really. Only that year was weaker. And not really, but like,
No, it's weaker than Q3. Q3 is their best quarter.
yeah, for sure. But weakest is Q1 on average.
Yeah, Q1 is the weakest. And they did 900. So it looks like
Mm.
what's their guidance? Why does
Yeah.
Schwab have them at
Yeah, let's
8?
see. Wait, let's see what they say here. Would they
Board
say
and
here
management.
analyst rating, something like that? Hold. Near-term
Oh,
headwinds acknowledged. 2025 profits peak level driven by avian flu supply constraints. Normalization expected 2026 with margin compression. Feed cost benefits may reverse if commodity prices rise. Regulatory scrutiny on pricing power. Oh, there we go. They are gonna cut the fucking. They're gonna be like, you cannot raise the price of eggs anymore.
yeah. Yeah. What is this avian flu? Is this real, bro? Yeah, even so, it's not bad. It's just what I'm telling you, like, it feels like buying eggs these days really just feel like a scam, bro. So I don't
Bro,
know how sustainable.
again, even if it's not sustainable, I did the average. They're a 7p average.
Yeah, I know. It's
For
good
the
shit.
past, like, what, 3 years or some shit? Or 4 years average? Yeah, 4-year average. They're 7p.
2268.
Specialty
One second.
eggs. Yeah, okay. Nice. Industry consolidation opportunity with capital advantage. Ready to eat product diversification. Crepini. Oh, they be saying crepes too? Crepes paninis. Oh, they're like, oh, wow. Wait, but why are they into that? Is crepes made out of eggs? No. What is it? Actually, they must have. I don't know. P of 315. Extremely attractive. Price to sales of 1. EV to EBITDA. Profitability normalization expectations. Dividend yield. Minimal. Hold rating. Analyst consensus of hold with 13% price target upside suggests valuations near fair value given 2025 peak profit cycle. So it's just like next year is gonna be, but again, it's already in the market then, because even at a hold, the price target is 13% ahead of what it is now. Uncertainty about sustainable profitability, but it's lack of a consensus. So there's this one that thinks it's right. Let's see. No, we don't care about that for now. Or the Protestant technology, conventional cage eggs, cage-free eggs, organic eggs, brown specialty.
What are their main brands? What are their biggest brands?
I guess we could have asked that. Revenue streams, maybe we'll say. No. Let's tell them to do that. Customer and geography. No, that's no. Alright, well that's a tab for the. Oh wait, no. Roseacre Farms, Rembrandt. Alright, while I read this, let me tell the guy to add a tab. Analyzing their brand and what would it be? Their brand and their marketed products and consumer, is it? End consumer marketed product. At a time analyzing their brand and their end consumer marketed products, I guess. Okay, so they dominate the market. Scale advance, 75% more layer hands than nearest competitor. Layer hands. 3.98 more billion market cap dwarfs private competitors, enabling access to capital, vertical integration, breeding hatcheries, feed mills, production processing, all in-house. It reduces costs and ensures supply reliability. 16 states. They're only in 16 states, though. How is that? With multiple production centers? Well, I guess because some states are probably not even worth it, right? Customer relationships, 35% year track. Are you still here, by the way? Or are we having technical issues? Oh, okay.
No,
35 plus year track record with major retail chains and food service providers. M&A, 25 plus acquisitions demonstrate proven integration capability. Commodity nature. Eggs are commoditized product with limited differentiation outside specialty varieties. Price competition. 5 largest producers control only 46% of market. What is broiler? Significant fragmentation enables price pressure. Oh, I see. So they could lower the price.
Egglands, Land O'Lakes. Okay.
Oh, you just do the research yourself, is it?
Yeah, that's yeah, those are pretty like
major brands, right?
Companies. Yeah,
okay.
Major brands. I mean, at least here in New York, I don't know how anywhere.
Right, but those are their brands, so you're saying those are companies that buy from them?
No, I think those are their brands.
So they have production, in 15 states. They have production where they have processing and packaging? No. So I send them
a little bit of production over here, a little bit over there.
A little bit over here. Interesting. In New York, Mississippi, primary production base for breeding. Interesting. Oh, so they breed the chickens in Mississippi and then they send them around? Extreme Mississippi running flock replacement capacity. Ah, okay. Cool.
FRC.
Chickens be the way, man. I feel like we should just buy chickens.
I agree.
Major restaurant chains, institutional food service.
Sustainable resource is chickens and like farmland animals.
Yeah. Chicken and cows. Shell egg sales, primary revenue, 90+%. Wow. Direct sales to food service, retail, and industrial customers.
Milk is like the only nutritionally complete food. You can like live forever on milk.
Not on eggs because of the calcium, or what?
Eggs don't have carbs.
What? Wait, I think we went through this before, right? How then they have carbs, bro? That doesn't make sense. I thought the white of the eggs. No?
Give me 3 minutes.
Oh, to like confirm your claim?
No, I gotta mute up. I gotta take a call.
Oh.
I can still hear you, but...
Got it.
All right.
Higher margin on shell eggs due to processing value added. Let me make this a bit bigger for you guys. My bad. Oh, wow. They received a compensation for the avian flu? From who? The government? Just because of the virus? Oh. Federal biosecurity support and cleanup reimbursement additional sources. Record 329.8 million dozens sold in Q2 of fiscal year 25, driven by market expansion, specialty mix growth, and market share consolidation. With 97% of U.S. households purchasing eggs. 97%, yeah, they're gonna be chilling. Volume growth limited to specialty mix shifts and modest market share gains. I mean, I kind of want to buy the stock right away. I mean, this margin of safety is just too good on a market that is not going anywhere, and they're market leader. This is like this. I mean, this is similar to the bank thing that I keep saying about Argentina, but this is a much shorter bet on a cheaper stock. Yeah, I low-key want to just buy options on this. But then again, what is the catalyst, right? The Argentine banks is different, but this What is the catalyst on this? Let's see again their charts. If we look at the shots, what do we got here? It's like, why? Huh. Alright, I'm also tell it to do that. So what is it that I told him to do that last? Oh, the brand. Products and technology, brand and marketing here. Calmain brand portfolio. Company overview. Calmain Foods operates primarily as a B2B supplier to food service and retail distribution. So yeah, Sunny Meadow, Farmland, Country, Daybreak, Sunup. It's percentage of sales volume, conventional cage eggs. Price premium versus conventional. Gross margin 10 to 15%. Yeah, this is wild, right? They make it organic certified, and the margin is like crazy. So they probably don't even make that big of a difference, the egg being free, because they make more money out of it. So what is the, yeah, I guess when they make it organic, it's harder to scale the volume. Because I'm like, why not make them all organic? But then people, right, people wouldn't want to pay more for them. So I guess it's the pricing power of an organic egg, that even though the cost is higher to make them organic, people will pay it. Brand challenge, limited direct brand recognition, much of sales through private labels, no Calmain brand invisible. Okay. Commodity perception, X lack differentiation versus competitors, price-driven decision making. Sustainability criticism, industry faces animal welfare scrutiny despite cage-free conversions. Supply chain transparency. Consumers increasingly demand farm-to-table traceability. Damn, when they say consumers, I wonder who they're talking about, because I don't think people talk about it like in coffee tables and stuff, like that they care about what happens to the chickens. Wow.
I'm back.
Hey. I'm just looking at the new part of the dashboard.
10% dividend, by the way.
You said what?
They have a 10% dividend.
When you say 10%, I thought we just saw that the dividend yield wasn't that high. Oh, but it is.
It's high as hell.
Bro, I was saying it when you were gone. Like, we just want to buy it now, regardless. Just for
I heard you, and honestly, I don't hate that. I don't hate that shout.
I mean, I might just do it. It's everything points. The margin of safety is just too good.
Yeah. And you don't need it. You were saying you need a catalyst. You don't need a catalyst if you're getting 11% yield.
No, right. I was thinking the catalyst for options. Like if I bought options.
Why would you buy options? Because
the leverage. But yeah, I'm not gonna buy it on this case because there's no catalyst. You know what I'm saying? Like if I'm betting on like the stock price skyrocketing, well, not sky, but just going up fast, then options is better. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, but that's not the type of company this is, really.
I know. That is what I was saying. Like I'm not gonna buy options because it doesn't make sense to do it with this.
11% yield, bro. That's crazy.
Let's run it.
Have they been growing their dividends?
Wait, what'd you say?
Have they been growing their dividends year over year?
Oh, let's see. I think no, actually no, and still. Give it to me, Schwab.
Question is why is it down 30%?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask. Like why? But yeah, avian flu exposure, high risk, commodity pricing cyclicality. 2025 represents exceptional profit environment due to supply constraints. Isoga analysis shows violent cyclicality. Normalized over full year would represent unsustainable margins. Expect 50 to 70% profit decline in normalized years. Right, which is kind of what we saw in the statements, wasn't it? That they
No, not in this company statements, I don't think.
Yeah, look, like they went up in 2023 and then down in 2024. You know? So 2024 is a normalized year. 2025 would be an outstanding year. So then we would expect, I guess, this go down to 3. I think that's what they're going for, like the analyst.
Let me see. This is where ROIC comes into play.
Yeah, to see more years, fair enough.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do it here too, so people can see it.
All right, you do it, and then I can look at it.
Calm. I like it too, the ticker being calm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it doesn't look cyclical at all. I mean, yeah, I guess
Yeah, like
a
this
4-year
top
cycle.
years and then it goes down, or goes down to normal, like it normalizes. It's like a top year. But yeah, but it's not that crazy. Yeah. And again,
It
we
looks
looked
like
at
they're
the
just operating
quarters,
on a larger base.
and we look at the quarters, and they're not like they're doing fine for the first
This
quarter.
first quarter has been exceptional, so at least
Yeah.
one more year
So
of really high revenue growth.
yeah, so
But again, like, why is it down? They're saying because of cyclicality.
I'm gonna ask you to add another tab in the meantime. Yeah, let's see. Can you add another tab analyzing why the stock is why analyzing the current. How would I express this? Analyzing the current price dynamics, the
By the way,
current
their CEO's
state
name is
of
Adolf.
Adolf,
Mm-hmm. Their CEO's name is Adolf
and he
Baker.
has a bunch of chicken concentration camps, bro. Wow.
Yep. Adolf Baker, dude.
Adolf Bacon?
Adolf Baker.
Oh, Baker. That's awesome, man. It feels like he changed it just for the chicken thing. Like his agent told him, if you want to be the best at chicken stuff, you gotta change your name.
Yeah.
Can you add another tab analyzing the current state of the stock price? Why it is as it is, the reason behind turns and the reason behind it going up or down recently, and possible catalysts for the price to move. I guess this is what I mean. Okay. In the meantime, regulatory antitrust scrutiny. DOJ investigation into egg price collusion. Yeah, there we go. Opened in March 2025. I mean, this is classic Trump too. Like, I think of just like, yeah, he's gonna try to pressure the companies to lower the prices. Well, classic Trump, obviously a classic politician, and be like, well, the price of eggs could be lower, but these companies are profiting. Regulatory attention, potential fines, pricing constraints, or forced divestitures.
The company has like 30% of its market cap in cash.
More good things. They really do. 30% is wow.
40%.
And this is why isn't it
No,
loading?
sorry, 30%.
Oh, I was clicking on the dividends, right? But somehow that didn't load. Yeah, I mean, they've been profiting for sure. Right, that's probably why they have all that cash. They're like, they don't even have anything to spend it on. Why not do buybacks? You know what we go? I feel like it's time to check their earnings call too as well. Like the latest
dividends
one.
are. They don't have a. Hold on.
They don't have a normal dividend. I don't know why this thing is not loading.
They do, but they don't use. They
Oh,
do
there
it
we
as a percentage of profits.
Oh,
Hold on.
interesting. I mean, yeah, because 2025 was a crazy dividend. Oh, well, that wouldn't be bad for us in the sense like if our theories there continues to go up. But yeah,
Yeah,
it isn't sustainable. Yeah, I see it here. I'm showing it here, by the way, the dividend history now. Finally.
Come.
But yeah, all right. I wanted
4 quarters. Wait,
Oh.
Go back.
Yeah, my bad.
4 quarters. Yeah, literally just a percentage of profits. It seems
Yeah.
like okay.
Oh yeah, I want to see the earnings call because I feel like I want to see
What
like for
percentage?
example, one good thing in there that we can check is their the questions from analysts because that will show us the concerns. So let's see. Welcome to call main first fiscal quarter of 2026. Okay, we're good. Appreciate your interest in Calmain. Truly grateful for the opportunity to resend each and every one. Blah, blah.
Where's
Okay.
Adolphus, dude?
I think he's
Is
talking
Adolphus not on
now.
the call?
He is.
No, that's Sherman Miller. That's
Oh.
the CFO. Not the CFO. He's another key figure, but he's not Adolphus.
Oh, well, Max Bowman. Maybe he's not on the call. He's busy taking care of the eggs.
He's on the call, dude. Oh.
Calmain is the largest egg producer in the United. Wait, reinforce. Why? Depending on circumstances. Wait, these investments enhance yields. Okay. One second. And across it all, vertical integration financial strength ensures that we can expect with discipline and resilience. With that, let me turn the call over to Chief Financial Officer Max Bowman. So then Sherman Miller is the CEO.
No, he's not.
Okay, then who the hell is Sherman Miller?
He's something.
Oh, maybe he's
He's not
IR?
the CEO.
Yeah, okay. It could be just IR. They usually start the calls, right? But he's talking a lot for an INR guy.
No, he's not IR either. He's something else.
Dolph Baker. Yeah, right, here it is. We stand on the shoulders of our founder, Fred Adams, and leaders like Dolph Baker, who remains an important guide. No, he's stepping down. He's not the
Really?
CEO
I
anymore.
thought-
Yeah.
President and CEO.
Oh, so he's this first quarter as CEO. That's why he's talking so much. I'm truly grateful to have the opportunity to represent.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn,
So
where
Dolph
would they be
Baker
that
is
would
gonna
let
be
it
in
go?
the board. What? So who's Sherman Miller? Wait, maybe we have it here actually in the dashboard. Sherman Miller, President and Chief Executive Officer. 20 plus years with the company though. So appointed CEO in 2022. So he's been around though. I don't get it. Former CEO until 2022. So then why is this call? I guess just talking about like. Yeah, okay, so it's not like he just got appointed, but. Max Bowman, Todd A. Sanders, but this guy's been around though. Career includes various operations positions with increasing responsibility since joining in '96. But the founder is here or no? Well, it doesn't really matter with a company like this. I don't care. This is not tech. Fred Adams, no. All right. Succession planning. CEO Sherman Miller has deep operational expertise, providing continuity. Chairman Baker's transition from CEO role with active governance. Mix of long tenure operational leaders and independent directors with external expertise. Creates balanced board composition. Nice. Okay, I think it's good on the new version of the dashboard. Let's see. What is it? Where did you add it? Added comprehensive stock valuation. Oh, here it is. Stock price down from 52-week high of 130. So it's down 37% from the 52-week high. Because, the peak set in quarter 3 of 2025 with the avian flu peak though. Okay. The low came before from a pre-supply shock. Oh, like what people wanted eggs and they didn't provide them or something? Okay, well, let's see. Why the stock is trading at 81.98? Valuation is highly cyclical and reflects peak profit normalization expectations. So yeah, they expect profits to be lower. Does not reflect fundamental business deterioration, but rather market recognition that 2025 earnings represent unsustainable peak profitability driven by avian flu supply constraints. Also, they benefited from the avian flu because other competitors couldn't. Still, though, from what we're seeing in the quarter, I mean, we'll look through the call again, but profit normalization expectations, primary driver. Net margin of 28.6% is historically exceptional. Normalized levels are 8 to 15%. Right, so even if the revenue... Yeah, okay, so I guess we didn't look into that as much, right? Let's go to ROIC. Well, actually, it might be harder to see here. Like, if we check their income... But again, I feel like, well, we'll check the quarterly, but... Right. This is what I guess they mean, right? But again, this is what they did in 2023. Because that was because of the supply chain, again, problems. Okay.
Minimal downside.
Yeah, you're saying
Pretty good
that?
upside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying that.
Sounded like you were reading it.
It's looking like a minimal downside.
Right. So I guess yeah, this is why like they're seeing in the quarters.
Just tempering expectations, I think.
Yeah, I mean, but again, but I feel like analysts would be smarter than to have a hold on this, unless well, it's also true that analysts do play whatever the market says, so they'll put a hold because the stock is down, because they want to have a buy on it, but their stock is going down anyway. Manage every step of production. Coming, we have accountability, aggressive operation with respect to biosecurity. Finally, as I mentioned, we have a fantastic team. Our foundation and strong business momentum allow us to deliver the strongest first quarter in our history and also reflects the benefits of diversification, the strength of our operations, and the progress we've made in positioning Cal-Maine for the future. Specifically, our results were driven by strong growth in specialty eggs, the expansion of our prepared food platform supported by solid performance in conventional eggs. Together, specialty, okay, 40% net sales, right. This will show Cal-Maine advancing as a diversified consumer-driven food company. Our conventional egg business continues to provide stability and scale, while specialty eggs and prepared foods are increasingly shaping the future of our portfolio. Specialty eggs and prepared foods are positioned. Okay, yeah, we get it. That's the thesis here. Our vertical integration and financial strength ensures that we can execute with discipline and resilience. Right, we talked about that. All right, so now it goes to the CFO. This is a new format to us. What do you mean? Okay. Oh, first live earnings call. Really? Oh, interesting. As a reminder, we published our earnings release. Thank you this morning. Increase in show. That also shows that there's probably more shareholder interest if they are doing this now. It could also be to revert the lower price. Anyway. Shell eggs represented blah blah blah. We can see that in the statements. Conventional egg sales generated blah blah blah. I want to see the drivers for this. These improvements were driven by higher average selling prices for shell eggs and the incremental contribution from prepared foods. Where is the prepared foods? Actually, prepared foods represented more than 9% of our net sales this quarter. This shift in mix demonstrates our specialty eggs and prepared foods are shaping our portfolio. Oh wow, look at this way. Conventional egg sales generated that, up 4%. Prepared foods deliver an increase of 800%. So prepared foods is growing 800%. Golly. With Echo Lake, well, I mean on a low base, but still. Contributing sales 70.5. Echo Lake Foods. Have you seen this brand, Evan, around? I mean, it's kind of like you wouldn't really see it standing out of the shelves, I assume.
Yeah. No, I see it.
Oh, you have seen Echo Lake Foods. Oh, interesting. Okay. On a per dozen basis, feed costs decreased about 4%, driven primarily by lower soybean meal prices. Yeah, everything is like it was like great tailwinds for them.
They missed.
They missed our earnings. Oh, interesting. That could be the case then. We'll see when we get to the questions.
They missed both.
Earnings and revenue.
Mm-hmm.
And still, they had one of the best revenues in history. So expectations were high, and then they got corrected, and that's why the stock price is down.
I suppose, yeah.
Breeder flocks increased 46%. Chicks hatch were up 77%, and the average number of layer hens rose 10%. We sold 2.5% more dozens year over year. Specialty doesn't increase in 75. We continue to see tangible benefits from our modernization initiatives and in inline facilities. Wait, how much do you spend on capex? Oh, they acquired a business? Okay, well, they seem to be acquiring. Oh, this may be what? Like, what? They're acquiring it like little by little? Is this? Oh, it's quarter. Yeah, but they are acquiring stuff. Okay. So they're probably acquiring new facilities. Right. Purchase of investments. Right. And they are repurchasing stock? Or am I wrong here? Yeah. Well, again, that was last year. Well, they were repurchasing at a higher... Wait, how in the quarter then? But this is before the surprise. Well, okay, so they did repurchase not in this most recent quarter. No, not in the quarter, that in the September. And the stock has been down since then, right? Yeah, since... No. No, the stock's been down. And they repurchased where? Lost it here. May. So before May they were repurchasing. Oh, okay, here. Fair enough. And then the stock went up. And then it depressed. In May, which their revenue per share was here. No. Yeah, here, right, yeah. And then they knew this was coming. I guess we would like to see what they did this quarter, but we don't know that yet. Alright, let's keep reading. Yes, June. 1 second. Oh, actually, yeah. 1 second. Let me go feed the dog. Be right back.
Alright.
Alright, I'm back. You here?
Yes.
Ah, where? I also gotta order some dinner. Its investment enhance yields our productivity and reinforce our low cost positioning the Cal-Maine way. Best practice and process innovation, blah, blah, blah. First way, our capital allocation approach is centered on maximizing total shareholder return, and we view it through 5 lenses. First, our dividends. Consistent with our standing dividend policy, we will pay a dividend of 1.37 per share to shareholders of record. Second, share repurchases. We plan to take an opportunistic approach to share repurchases guided by our broader commitment to disciplined capital deployment. So they'll be buying shares. Nice. Depending on circumstances, we may use different methods to execute buybacks. Buybacks, such as open market purchases, accelerated programs, or prearranged trading plans. Third, earnings per share growth. This is supported by disciplined reinvestment in our business, particularly in modernization, margin expansion initiatives, and efficiency programs. Fourth, M&A. We are focused on related areas, geographic expansion, and opportunities that meet strict financial return thresholds while maintaining our supply position. Wait, was that fourth? So we need one more. Viver Foods is a great example of this. The investment is in ourselves and the fast-growing subcategories we are building. Finally, multiple expansion. Over time, as we shift our mix and deliver high quality, more predictable earnings, we believe Cal-Maine Foods will be positioned for a valuation that reflects that improvement. Yeah, this is great. Strong cash generation allows us to fund growth, support our dividend, be opportunistic on repurchases, and pursue disciplined M&A. In turn, these actions create even more cash flow for future deployment. That concludes my review of the financial results. Back to Sherman. Reinforce a few things. Cal-Maine is the largest egg producer, significant scale, vertical integration, lower cost and supply reliability. Scale alone is not enough. More choice. So yeah, I mean, they're really doubling down. Well, doubling down. They're going deeper into the other revenue streams, like, which is meat that demand with diversified portfolio. The new types of eggs, right? With higher margins, we were looking at that, like 10 percentage points higher. Specialty eggs and prepared foods are not promises for tomorrow. They are delivering today. Over time, we expect them to continue to improve the quality of our earnings and lead to margin expansion. That's also the thing, right? Because they talk about how eggs is like a commoditized market in which the only differentiation is from price. But if these people are showing that they are growing in other segments where brand will be more important, because I wonder if for organic eggs, I suppose for prepared foods that makes more sense than the brand. But I wonder if people care about the brand of their organic eggs that much. Well, M&A. So yeah, so they plan to buy more companies too. Supported by a robust pipeline of disciplined accretive opportunities. Echo Lake is a great example of how we're executing. Since the acquisition in June, so they acquired Echo Lakes. Okay, ramped up quickly, and we're on track to exceed every financial and operational expectation we set forth at the time of the acquisition in June. That's fast. We've already approved a new $14.8 million investment in high-speed pancake production line at Burlington, Wisconsin. So they're just gonna go deep into breakfast, huh? Because they're doing the crepes thing too, crepini. Projects like this will increase efficiency and scale, demonstrate our approach to disciplined investment. We're becoming a house of brands from Eggland's Best, Land O'Lakes, Farmhouse Eggs, 4Grain, Sunups, Sunny Meadow, Meadow Creek Foods to Crepini, reaching customers across national, regional, and private label programs. They account for roughly half of Eggland's Best sales, which remains the #1 brand of specialty eggs in the United States. Together, these strengths with Cal-Maine Eggs are purchased by 97% of US households and remain one of the lowest cost sources of high quality protein. Consumers are eating more protein overall, with high protein diets ranking as the most common eating pattern for the third consecutive year. Eggs fit squarely into that trend because they are fresh, versatile, and cost effective. Specialty formats and ready-to-eat products extend that value proposition, giving people more ways to include eggs in their diets. This is not just about chasing trends. It's about meeting fundamentals needs for nutrition, affordability. Number 2, we're looking forward. Our strategy is clear. Number 1, expand specialty and prepared foods. Number 2, leverage vertical integration and operational excellence to remain a low-cost, reliable supplier. And number 3, pursue disciplined M&A to drive mix uplift, expand geographically, and create long-term stockholder value. Scale, vertical integration, and financial strength. And the tailwinds, right? Conventional eggs provides a strong foundation while consumer demand for protein and relative affordability of eggs create powerful tailwinds. I want to close. Okay, so now the questions. Let's see. Heather Jones from Heather Jones Research. Wow, they really don't have much coverage, huh? It's like a boutique research company. Fair enough. I mean, they're the largest egg supplier, but yeah, I suppose it's not. What did we say it was? 4 billion in market cap, or was that a different company?
Yeah, 4 billion.
This is them, right? Okay. Started by saying I appreciate you all starting these calls. Oh, look at that. They're very helpful. I guess my first question is just on pricing. Just wondering if this quarter your price capture relative to industry benchmarks was materially lower than it has been in the past, and so I was just wondering if you could share some quantitative and qualitative color. Okay, just so we can try to be more accurate in projections going forward. Okay. How important our customers are. Okay, whatever. And each and every customer has their own. Come on, man. Oh, have their own go-to-market, and there's certainly multitude of different pricing structures. But I think that what you're indicating, Heather, is some top-side slippage. And what we would encourage you to think about is just balance that with the downside, the mid-cycle uplift that comes with that. What? Because the shift that's gone on in your mix as far as cost plus versus market based. Oh, like kind of is the margins driving the higher income from the mix shift, or is it the demand?
It's not, bro. It's the revenue. We know that.
Well, but I think what she's asking is what I'm saying is cost plus versus market based, in the sense of like, is the new shift of products relatively cheaper on a margin basis, or is it that there's more demand for those products and that's what's good? But I don't know if that's what she means. And over time, market realization actually improving for the long term, the reduction of volatility, and certainly the longer term arrangement that comes with that. So we think there's a lot of appeal in this shift. So the idea of the shift itself being appealing, is that what she wants to know? If you look at our 10Q, we do indicate that the majority of our conventional eggs are still priced off of a market framework. So there's still a lot of history in our pricing arrangements, but certainly certain customers have different thought patterns on their go-to-market strategy. And once again, right, so I guess they mean, yeah, you don't market normal eggs the same way you market organic eggs or prepared foods. Upside opportunities balanced with downside protection here. Right, the specialty products. And always we strive so true partnerships to be the type of partners they can rely upon. Customer alignment, swap positions. So I'll pass it to you. Okay, on Max says follow-up is on Echo Lake. Follow-up from her? Yeah, right? Yeah. No. Puran. Who the hell is this? Puran Sharma.
Just a random guy?
No, it's the same girl. It's the same girl. There's just a mistake on the transcript. It's the Heather girl. So follow-up. These results were stronger than expected across the board. Just the sales and the margins, and just one. Should we be expecting significant sequential revenue growth for that business? For the business, for Echo Lake, right? For the prepared foods, 800% revenue growth. And secondly, was there anything related to cost timing that affected margins, or is this a good gross margin to use going forward? Another great question, and it's hard to express the amount of excitement that we have when we say not only Echo Lake, but prepared foods and just the growth opportunity that we have, the focus on higher value, higher quality, more consistent, and the margin expansion over time. It opens lots of doors for us for additional organic growth and M&A. and we do feel good. The color that we added in our queue is that we feel very strongly that they're meeting and exceeding all of the initial goals that we set for them. And Echo Lake is strong. We spend a lot of time in due diligence, not only looking at the business, but looking at the team. The team is what I really like to brag. Okay, whatever. Just an extremely solid team. Yeah. But yeah, this is great tone. I mean, they really are sounding excited about it.
Yeah, I really don't think it's gonna be. I'm telling you, like there could be some downside, obviously, but
Yeah, but I
it
don't
doesn't.
think.
Yeah,
Yeah, it doesn't
it
look like they
looks
could
like they
fuck
can
it up.
just keep growing.
Yeah, I mean, their baseline product is not going anywhere in the next 3, 6 months or whatever. Like, people are gonna keep buying eggs, and then they have
It's just that
this
whole thing of like it's just comps. Comps like killed them right now.
right
but-
now. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So we're in a good position to buy because comps have already killed them.
Mhm.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Okay, what do we have
everything's
here?
lining up.
Oh, now we have Poran Sharma with Stephens. Stephens sounds familiar.
Stevens researching Stevens.
Stephens with a
Stevens
PH,
over
bro.
here. Stevens over there.
Just wanted to say congrats on the quarter. First earnings call here. Maybe for the first question, wanted to understand a little bit about the supply situation. It looks like we've had a pretty good substantial build back in the layer flock over the last couple of months. What is the layer flock? Is that
No,
like the
facts.
eggs that create, like the chickens that create new chickens? What is the layer? Wait, is that, what is it called?
Layer flock?
Layer flock in egg production.
Oh, I'm checking out a little bit, dude. I'm back though.
Group of hens specially raised from young birds for the primary purposes of commercial egg laying. Oh, so then these are the ones that make the eggs. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Type of flocks. Types of flocks.
Todchenko. While
Let's-
investors walk on eggshells anticipating Fed decisions, tariff relief, and ceasefires, one company is feeding investors nutritious dividends, cash flows, and earnings growth. Cal-Maine Foods is the nation's largest producer of eggs. The Ridgeland, am I reading that right? The Ridgeland, Mississippi-based company boasts a free cash flow yield of 31% and grew earnings per share by 35% year over year
No, so yeah,
to
they mean the chickens that make
in
the
the
eggs.
first quarter of fiscal 2026.
Uh-huh.
It posted a record performance. Wait, 412 was its first quarter. Is that correct?
You're saying like what is the ending date of their first quarter?
No, $4.12.
Oh, their earnings? I don't know, yeah. Let me check. For quarter one of 26. Wait, you're saying per
Yeah.
share?
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't know. 199 net income. Let's see. How do I check their EPS?
It should have it right there in that same. And if you're looking at the statement.
Oh, really? Oh, my bad.
Uh-huh. It
Oh,
posted
here it
record
is. 412.
performance
Yeah, my bad, my bad.
across several metrics in the quarter. Net sales were up 17% year over year, while operating cash flow more than doubled from 118 million to 279 million. Cal-Maine achieved these results during a time of volatile egg prices, continued vulnerability of flocks to the highly pathogenic avian influenza, and a weary consumer. The stock at recent 86.89 level also pays a 6.4 dividend yield at current prices. We're focused on growing specialty eggs and value-added prepared food, areas that offer more stable margins, deeper customer partnerships, and stronger alignment with consumer behavior. The company is distinguished by its vertical integration. Founded in 1957, it oversees hatching, flock maintenance, egg production, and marketing, distributes eggs to national and regional grocery chains, club stores, and food service companies such as Sysco. Its eggs are available at Walmart, Costco, and Publix. Almost half of its revenue in 2025 was derived from its top 3 customers. This guy likes the stock.
We like the
This guy
stock
over
too.
at
I'm not gonna lie.
We like the stock too. Yeah. This guy over at Barron's. Listen.
I'm listening.
Listen. Go to the Excel sheet real quick, if you could, just please. Thank you very much. Can you make it bigger? Wait, actually, hold on. You don't have to. You don't have to.
Too late.
How many of these 6 are egg companies? Just Vital?
Oh. No, this is a chicken too. Chicken produces
No,
chicken.
but this
I
is
don't know,
not
but this
egg.
is chicken meat. Yeah.
This is chicken.
Chicken. And then
chicken.
flow.
Coles.
Bakery foods.
Okay. Oh, this is chicken as well. Okay.
Yeah, food. So like meat. Yeah, and then the other guy's
Yeah.
sardines.
Sardines. And then what about the first one?
Oh, PPC.
This is what we're looking at. Oh no, Pilgrim's Pride.
Yeah.
Chicken.
So
Okay, so we have
how about-
Calmaine and Vital. Vital
Yeah.
is eggs.
yeah, I know, but I want to see. Yeah, they're also
Right, so
depressed.
Go to
But I'm
Schwabini.
not. Yeah, this is a crazy different P. Yeah.
Hit up the Schwabini.
You want me
Hit
to
up
put Vital?
the research. No, hit up the research tab. Click it. Click it
clicking it.
now.
I'm clicking it.
Really?
Stocks.
Go to stock. Yeah. Open link in your tab. Wow. Stock compare. Stock compare. Type them in.
Just those two.
Yeah. Vital.
What do you want to
All
say?
right. Go down. Down. There's a place beyond the hills. Now, there's somewhere where you can adjust these things that it shows here. Go up.
Wait. My
No.
comparisons. No, wait.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, do I have to create one? Arab money.
No.
I forgot about that one. Custom here?
Custom.
Edit view?
And then...
Yeah, there we go. Okay. What do you want to see?
Nice.
Return on investments? Return on equity?
Stop.
You told me, bro. Can you see it? Wait, one second.
Yeah, click on... Stop. Go down. Go down.
Yeah.
Go to click the Morningstar rating. Yeah, go down.
Yeah.
Go down. All right, here.
Oh, right.
Yo, relax. My goodness. My God. All right, it's fine, I guess. Go down to financial strength. And then do long-term debt. Not on the left. No.
Wait, on the left,
Just
my
the
bad.
debt.
Yeah.
All right, we're good.
You want to see
Let's
debt
see.
to capital? Okay.
No, I don't care.
Don't care.
I just don't care. Oil. Eggs. Nice. Beautiful. Alright, now we'll just slowly.
Here we go. Here, okay.
Slowly.
Gee. Wait, but right, this is not normalized though. But anyway, doesn't.
It is. It's fine.
No debt? These people have no debt?
No debt and 30% cash. What do you have to
Gee.
say about that?
I think it's amazing.
It's amazing. Earnings per share.
Bro, how do they... I don't get it.
This company, Vital, is like specialty. They only... their eggs are like
Oh.
superior and they're also like way more expensive.
Okay.
They're also a
But
younger
their
company.
margin is not as good anyway. Whatever.
They're probably spending a lot on advertising and stuff like that
Right.
to
Okay.
just grow. I'm
They
sure
do
if you look
have
at their revenue,
cash flow.
it's
Yeah.
probably better.
I know. Never mind.
No,
Listen,
that's
I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm saying it the opposite way. Yeah.
them. Not even their sales growth though. That's the big damning thing, honestly. The sales growth is worse
Oh,
than fucking
Vidal. Yeah.
Canadian. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This
Calmain is just. It looks like it's just better.
it's just a buy on all metrics. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. No long-term debt either. 6 million for the other company. I mean, that's not a lot, but it's still some
Yeah.
in it, mate.
Ain't it,
Yeah.
mate?
This should be the first company we add to our portfolio, bro.
Yeah, I am probably gonna buy it on Monday, like tomorrow.
Good
And
boy.
then I'm gonna like we'll do more research, but I guess what else?
No, we're done.
Right, there's
What are
not
you talking
much
about?
else to check with these
From
people.
now on, it's just like seeing what comes next quarter. You know, see if it really does play out the way analysts are saying that there's going to be a cyclicality to the profit margins, but I really don't think so, honestly. All this cyclicality shit, they're always talking about it, and I swear, like, it's never that serious.
Wait, let me finish the call actually with these people.
Are you asking me if you can finish?
I'm not asking you. What do you mean? I'm just saying. Oh, because I said let
I don't
me.
know. I don't know what kind of weird shit you're on.
But one second, I check out the food.
Order
I can't do two things at the same time.
food.
Yeah, bro. My fuck, I didn't put the chicken to defrost.
Get in you just put it in water.
Too late, man. It's already 10.
Yeah, it's actually late for you, right? I keep forgetting that.
I'm ordering some Chinese.
Nice, dude. Chinese in Spain.
It's good, this one's actually. And yeah, it's good actually in general in Spain. We have a lot of Chinese people. A lot. Never mind.
In
But
Greece, the Chinese food is a joke, bro. It's so
yeah?
funny.
Oh, no, here
They
it's
just
good.
be making up random shit in terms of like the foods.
Oh, really? I don't know. Is it not
Pretty
owned
much.
by
Same thing.
Chines or what?
No, it's not. There's no
Oh.
Chinese in Greece. I mean, there's
Delis
Chinese
here,
now, but
like delis here are owned by like the deli that you would think in New York. Here it's Chinese store, like the one that's open always and stuff. Like we have a good amount of Chinese people here.
yeah, we have those in Greece, but they're owned by like I don't really know what they are. I guess they're Bengali or something. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Greece has like a lot of like Africans and more recently like a lot of like like Middle Eastern, I guess.
Hmm.
We don't have many. The Chinese in Greece are investors. They're buying up all the property.
Right.
But they're
Well,
not
we
own-
have
they're
that
not,
too,
like-
for sure.
Yeah,
One of the owners for the Granada team was a Chinese guy for a while.
Chinese guy.
Well, one of the owners, yeah, the owner for the Granada.
Singaporean.
Singaporean senator. I'm Singaporean
But he is Singaporean, isn't he?
for the
Or
Granada.
Malaysian.
Oh no,
Yeah.
I thought he was Chinese, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know that much
He's-
about it. You would know better
he's
actually.
Yeah, if I remember correctly.
Oh wow.
He's either Singaporean or Malaysian.
But my bad.
It's all good.
Yeah.
Don't make a mistake again, though.
It is a pretty bad mistake, man. Because people
Really
were at
bad.
war, bro. I hope no Singaporeans in the chat.
Jian Lizang. Oh no,
Oh.
he is Chinese.
Oh, he is Chinese?
Jiang Lizang.
Damn. My apologies again now for the Chinese.
Chinese entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Desport.
Entrepreneur.
Was founded in 1931. They're in the second division. Oof.
Oh, they're in second A or second B?
Nah, second.
Yeah, okay.
A, I guess. La Liga Dos.
Dos.
They probably just got relegated.
No,
Honestly.
they've been relegated for a while. I remember when it went
Really?
down. Yeah, like maybe 2-3 years.
They're
More,
in
maybe.
they're in seventh right now.
Jeez.
Yikes. They're from Andorra.
Wait, what do you mean? Who's from Andorra? I thought you were talking about Granada this whole time.
Kidding.
Oh.
Close though, no?
Granada and Andorra? Not at all, man.
Mm-hmm.
They're like opposite sides of the whole peninsula. Andorra, it's its own country, bro. You know
That is
this,
what you would
right?
say. I know Andorra is own country, yeah.
Okay, okay. But you know where it is, right?
How sad is that the Spanish can't even, you know what I mean? They can't even handle their shit.
You could say the same about the French, bro. They're right in between.
Your
Actually, I
most
think they're
crucial
on our
port,
side. Are they not? Yeah. How
one
did
of your
they...
most crucial ports is just its own country, bro.
Bro, it's actually great that it is independent because now people go there for tax purposes because the tax.
Oh, wait, no.
What?
Sorry, I was thinking like Gibraltar.
Oh, that was. I mean, we did give it to the Brits, but yeah, I don't know why we
So
gave it to the
embarrassing,
Brits.
bro.
Why did we give? Oh,
That's
because the piece of
so embarrassing,
Westphalia.
bro.
They helped us broke a peace with. Maybe it was
That's so
France.
embarrassing, bro.
I know. I mean, not
Like
really, to be honest. I think
quite
Cuba is more
possibly your most
embarrassing.
crucial port.
I think the fact that we lost Cuba is more embarrassing.
Quite possibly your most crucial port in the Mediterranean is just owned by it's just its own country.
Is
L.
it? No, it's not its own
L.
country. It's British.
No, Gibraltar is its own country.
No, Gibraltar is British, bro. It's
It's owned by
British
the
territory.
Brits.
Yeah, it's UK.
Yeah.
More embarrassing even.
Yeah, type shit. It just sits on Spanish land, bro. Like what?
For real.
Yeah, why is Andorra its own country? That's so weird.
Andorra, yeah, I don't know. Let's see.
No, let's not see. Let's not see.
Oh,
Just relax.
1 second. I'm curious, man.
It's funny because Greece is like so much more like useless, but they still haven't lost all
Oh
of
no,
those
they've been
islands.
around, bro. They've been
So
a
fun.
state since Charlemagne.
Like, do you know how much like do
Damn.
you know how much fucking how
What?
many of our islands are so close to Turkey and then Turkey just doesn't have access to them?
Yeah,
It's like
I've
the
heard.
funniest shit. Even Cyprus, that's its own country, is like half militarily Turkish.
Hmm.
And the ones and Cyprus not even that close to Turkey. The rest of these countries, bro, you can swim. Like if you're in Kos, you could literally swim to Turkey. It's like 50 meters. No, it's not 50 meters, but it's like 2 kilometers. Really not nothing.
Hmm.
Oh, Samos is the one that's really close. Okay. Yeah, Samos is like a kilometer. You can swim from Samos to Turkey. Let's go, man. Let's go, dude.
Wait, what is this? It looks like we've had a pretty good sequential build back in a layered flock of array. And in our past conversations, we've talked about how long it'll take to get back to about 325 million hens. And I think the industry projections called for about 305, 315 by year end. But we have been hearing some. Oh, because a lot of hens have been lost because of the avian flu. I see. We have been hearing some expansion among smaller contract farmers may not be fully capturing the latest USDA figures of about 300 million hens. So I just wanted to get your thoughts on how to think about the supplies over the next few quarters from here. The USDA hen numbers that came out September 1st indicated 101.4 million or 300. Wait, what do you mean? Okay. And that certainly is a number well loaded on the 5-year, but I think we would challenge you to think a little bit broader than that. There's a general rule of thumb that it takes 1 chicken for each person in the US. The US population hovering somewhere around 340 million indicates that we're well short of the potential that the market could use, and there's certainly lots of things on the demand side. But unfortunately, there's some early indicators that the high path avian influenza certainly is not gone. It's a lot bigger than the US problem. It's a global problem, and the global indicators indicate the same thing. And there's a lot of challenges sitting at the doorstep with high path avian influenza. How about
Right, but we kind of like established that it's not good or bad for them.
No, yeah, I'm not saying like oh, look at this. I was just saying that because I thought we were gonna hear some industry metrics. Yeah,
I know.
But and the potential for growth.
They're dampening expectations, I think, which is like a good thing.
Yeah, and at the same time sounding excited.
Yeah. What was I was about to say something. I forgot.
Just look and
Whatever.
listen to the expert. There's a lot of concerns around future high path event. You pair the supply with demand, but also, and again, yeah, it's good for them if because the it will be also the small farmers that will lose more chickens than them.
Mm-hmm.
They are
What
growing
about like
10% of their
revenue per
layer.
hen?
Huh?
Revenue per hen. What is that number?
Revenue per hand? What are you saying there?
I'm saying we should calculate it
Per hand? Oh, per hen.
per hen.
Huh. Well, how many do they have? And what do you want to
No.
compare it to anyway?
The revenue per hen of Vital.
I guess we can look that up, right? Let's see.
Who's squeezing their hens more than
I mean, it's a return on assets. That's really
Yeah.
well, yeah. We have that, and it is better for Calm again. Like much better.
damn. Yeah, Morningstar doesn't cover this company.
Yeah. Or Vital, yeah.
Morningstar,
I mean, it's
Morningstar
It's like
fell
you
off.
said, 4 billion.
Morningstar fell off crazy.
You pair the supply with demand. Certainly, there's always seasonality that comes to the way. The last few years has been a roller coaster. Normal seasonality has been disrupted by loss of birds during those times, which has a kind of muddied the water. Supply stabilization is just one of the important pieces to think about whenever marketing programs work most effectively. It's when they can count on supply. And the tailwinds that are sitting there for the demand side are extremely favorable, and we're excited about them. FDA now lets us put the word healthy on an egg carton. American Heart Association recommending eggs as part of a healthy diet. American Academy of Pediatrics, they're recommending eggs from conception to 2 years of age because of choline, or whatever that is, choline. These GLP-1 drugs are certainly a catalyst. GLP-1, what is that? Is that Ozempic?
Weight loss drugs.
People looking for clean, unprocessed foods and eggs just become a spotlight as 97% of households buy eggs. And of course, the United Nations pushing eggs still. And of course. But at the end of the day, eggs fit very well into the healthy trends, the convenient trends, and they're still affordable on a program of protein serving. And they also have some of the other spotlights against food containing sodium, sugar, and saturated fat were either low or zero. So we think there's tremendous tailwinds to pair with this supply. And
This is like the whole this is the whole thing.
Yeah.
But I think all that stuff is like priced in because the stock has ran up.
Has it?
Yeah.
I don't think so, man. Not that much.
I think so, man.
Okay.
I know so actually.
I mean, right? If you just said it, it's not like you put in. I mean, you mean from here, right?
Yeah, from 2022.
Yeah, I mean that's a year ago. But yeah, I think we're right primed to buy.
No, we're good. This is good.
Yeah,
this is
amazing.
very good.
And
this is very, very good.
We're in a support level.
Oh, and a nice little support level. Wow. What are the Bollinger Bands saying?
What in Bollinger Bands are you saying?
What's the RSI?
What is the RSI? What is this again? Oh, the flu again. Northern states biosecurity measure. Also, they got like a $45 million subsidy or some shit, or no, like a payment from the government because of the flu. Yeah, isn't that funny? I didn't know you could do that. You could sue the government because of some flu.
I guess.
Yeah, you can.
Well, the government like is incentivized to support these types of businesses.
No, right. But I didn't know they were like
indemnation. Yeah, man. This is like fantastic stuff.
They can't predict the magnitude, but what I do feel okay. Oh no.
By the way, we can get rid of Monolith from our screen.
I did. I got rid of it, if I believe. Correct.
Fuck that.
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah. Chickens are the best. We could even get rid of Vital. You know, if we're gonna go into eggs.
Yep.
I mean, what's the point of looking into Vital? Oh, that's not what I
Bing.
wanted to do.
That's perfect.
No, that's
And delete
better.
the cell and everything. Evaporated from existence.
Oh,
Don't ever
shit.
think about it again. You don't know your login information, man.
I don't want to just type it out. I don't want them to hear the typing, you know? How do
Gabriel
I-
R80.
How did I get to that thing again? Oh, trade, right? No.
Web.
Cali, I'm stupid.
You can download it if you wanted
Oh,
to.
there we
I
go.
have
Yeah.
it.
There
I have it, but I always use the web anyway.
we go. Why do you have it? Because you downloaded it at one point, I suppose.
Yeah, I downloaded it a while ago.
Why,
Paper
man?
money.
Give me my watch list.
Paper money, 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 paper money.
Bro, just say you should click on paper money, maybe instead of telegraphing your fucking inputs.
Nah, I like it better this way.
Wait, we already got rid of Vital?
Nah, it should be
Oh,
somewhere over there. What, you just sorted by symbol?
yeah, it was easy to find the V that way.
Respect. Top 5 respect moments. This is good. It's naturally going how it should,
Yeah.
which I like. I was kind of worried that you were going to have a little about all this shit, like, no, we're not going to get rid of it. You never know, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, I see. I mean, in some cases, but not that one, yeah. Okay. I'm glad I didn't let you down, Daddy. Sure. Thanks for hosting this call.
You're welcome.
I don't know why I read that out loud, actually.
We're like, I think we should call it soon, no?
Oh, we could. Yeah, we're at 3 hour mark. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This can
We're
be
gonna go-
the chicken
Gonna
episode.
go see Marty Supreme.
You are in theaters?
Mm.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm excited. I mean, I saw from Simon that he's saying they're not making as much money. Which is surprising to me. I thought this would be the type
I
of
know.
movie that makes the money.
I don't think so. Because, like, I think that was just Christmas Day, because nobody's gonna go see it on Christmas Day.
Right. Avatar
But
is also come out now, by the way. So
we were seeing, but we were seeing, like, we were looking for tickets, and bro, every theater is like
oh,
pretty packed.
all right. Yeah, I mean, I think they'll be
Like,
fine. It's also like it's
Oh,
one
yeah.
of those like it's the same guy that made Uncut Gems, so it's probably gonna get critical acclaim and all that.
Yep, Joshua Safdie.
Let me know how it is. Have you seen Uncut Gems? I haven't seen it yet, to be honest.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Is it
I
good?
like it. Yeah, it's a fun watch. I mean, it's not. Wait, is Honora also
Nora.
Josh Safdie?
Oh, I don't know. And Nora, I haven't seen either.
Dude, I saw the movie and I was recommending it because I'm
Oh,
like,
yeah, this won the Oscar, didn't it?
yeah, it won the best picture. Dude, I was recommending it based on the fact that it was just a funny, like, okay movie, and then it won a fucking Oscar, and she won like best actress, and I'm like now it's just it's not that good. Like,
Yeah, I mean it's because
I don't
of
know
the
how I
whole the Oscars are washed, bro. It's probably because it's the life of a prostitute, all of that empowered woman. You know what I'm saying? It's
Yeah,
just
but it's not. It doesn't. It's not giving that. The movie doesn't give that.
oh, it actually gives
by
like
the way.
oh, okay. It's not a good ending.
It's like
for
a
her.
zany. It's like a zany. Like, I don't know how even know how to explain it. Like, it's just like a fun movie, bro. Like,
And
it's
this
not
is the guy
good.
that made it, by the way. What
Um,
does that tell you about it?
It's not good or deep in any way.
Oh,
honestly.
this guy made the Florida Project. Ah.
Yeah, Florida Project is good. Like,
I
deep.
like it.
It's not good. Bro. I didn't like it.
What? I mean, it's filmed
But
on an
it's
iPhone, bro.
Yeah, but it's good. Exactly. Like, it's
Right,
good. This
right.
one is good, but it's not deep, and I don't know how the fuck it even won Oscar genuinely. Like,
I have to see it, I guess, but
her acting, like, I don't know. Her acting was not. I mean, it was pretty. She's pretty talented.
yeah,
But
okay.
it's just like a fun movie. Like, you'll like it. It's fun. It's funny.
Yeah.
It's fast
I
paced.
didn't expect it to be like funny. I thought it would be
No, it's
like
funny. It's
gritty.
because
you know?
she's like no, because the story of it is that she meets a Russian billionaire's kid,
Mhm.
and then she kind of like gets into his life, and then he's also like really fucks with her, and then they do all this shit, and then I mean I don't know, I'm not gonna ruin it, so I'm not gonna tell
Right.
you what happens after. But
Okay.
that's basically the whole concept. Is like a Russian billionaire goes to where she's stripping, and then she goes to his crib, and then they like get into a relationship.
Yeah,
You know.
that's what I got from the trailer. But then I think it also from the trailer I got that things turned
Like
out pretty well.
Uncut Gems is better than that.
Yo, look at this. Zach should have bought. Look at this shit. Oh, this is not. I'm retarded. I should shoot myself, I think, right now, to be honest.
Yeah. Okay. No complaints over here.
This is what I wanted to see. Is it still down? I still down.
Yeah,
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
This turned out so much worse than if I just looked it up right. Oh my god, speak too
Yeah.
fast.
We'll see, buddy. We'll see a little shit.
You saw
But
that?
it
Uh-huh.
does look like they're gonna get a pretty good deal because I think Warner Brothers, if they do sell, will only sell to like all those.
Yeah.
You know how like the bidding started getting like insane. It's
Yeah.
not gonna be like that anymore. Also, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna reject it.
Yeah. I mean, it's on shareholders. They got to do it before the end of January,
Yeah.
I think.
But Netflix is just too expensive. It's just like one of those things where
Yeah,
I mean,
fair
it gets
enough.
gonna stay that expensive, and like they will get a boost right now from all of this, like all these new shows that are happening.
It's just, but again,
Like
on a
Stranger
technical level, I do want
Yeah,
to
but
buy
who cares?
options, bro. No, not
Yeah.
technical, like purely technical, but the idea that if they close the deal, they'll be going up. But
To close the deal, they're gonna be going down. If they don't close the deal, they're gonna be.
yeah,
And if nothing happens,
yeah, I
they're
really
gonna
don't
be going
know.
up.
I really don't know. I shouldn't get into this.
It's just a shit company, bro. Like
It's
you
not a
should
shit.
look at
That part I don't like. It's not a shit
shit
company.
company.
You mean the stock or
company.
the company? The company's great, bro. They're
Company.
doing great. They're doing good things too. Like they're getting into
You know
gaming.
what this company is? This company is like a hamster wheel.
Well, but then you're saying the whole industry of shows is a hamster wheel. No?
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
Yes. I
Okay.
understand that.
Fair enough. Okay. I guess that you're saying don't invest in show business, basically.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. All right.
Exactly.
All right. Then it's not a shitty company. It's a shitty industry. A great company. A shitty industry.
Yeah, it's a great. Yeah. Okay. I agree with that.
Okay.
It's a great company in a shitty industry. It's just a hamster wheel, man. Like they just have to keep running and running and running. Like I don't know
How about these people?
which people.
Take Two
Take Two.
Interactive.
This is a little different, I think.
Why?
'Cause they're
Oh my
like,
god.
I think video games are higher margin, are they not?
No, they're not. It costs so much more money to make a game than to make a movie. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't know the numbers, but yeah, I would assume that's the case, bro. There's no. Why would it be higher margin to make a game? You
Yeah,
gotta service the
there's
game
a
to. There's
like-
bugs, this stuff. What?
You gotta pay celebrities to act.
It's cheaper, bro, than all the shit that goes into
Look
it.
it up.
But
Ask ChatGPT.
alright, what do you want me to ask?
One final disproving Gabe's hypothesis for the episode.
Okay, let's run.
Is it more expensive to make a video game or a movie?
It's gonna be like, oh, there's caveats, but anyway, expensive
Yeah, what's up?
to make a movie. Video. You wanna like put the thing that is like a production rate, like top movie or something like that, or no? Just like this, like it could be a.
No,
I'm gonna put AAA video game because I feel like if not, it's not fair.
it's a AAA video game.
Like top game, like like a high quality game, like not an indie game, bro. It's obviously cheaper to make fucking a chess simulator.
Chess simulator. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it as right, Gemini. I'm scared. I'm like checking things.
You're just trying to tilt it as much as you can.
Like, how can I tilt it more?
It's AAA. Like, is it more expensive than GTA 6 or a fucking on film?
Look, it's
of
already
Super-
doing Casa making GTA 6 versus Avatar, though. That's a good comparison, I think.
Yeah, that's good.
But I think GTA 6 is an outlier. But we'll see if it does a little
So is
bit more.
Avatar, bro. What? Avatar fucking probably costs so much bread to make.
Yeah? Avatar Wave the
Yeah.
Water. That's the second one? Or yeah, because the last one is Ashes,
one.
right? I've heard it's great, the new one. I haven't seen the second one yet, but
The third
top
one?
tier AAA video games are largely caught up to and in some cases surpass the cost of blockbuster movies. Average AAA game budget approximately 200 million, so it's slightly lower. Ah. The ceiling for game production has risen dramatically, though. No, 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 no. Wait. The
It
caveats,
knew you
bro.
were
The
trying to
caveat.
stop.
You're talking about on
Oh,
average, and it's not.
it
You're
knew that
talking
you were
about in
trying
the
to cope.
future. No, 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 no. You're saying the
It understood
future.
that you're trying to cope and it's trying to be
No.
amenable to you. It's like,
Wait,
yeah,
no, no,
you're
no,
not
no, no.
wrong, buddy.
I'm not entirely wrong, bro.
ChatGPT is stroking your ego. They're like, yeah, I can see it. Yeah, yeah, buddy.
I can see it, bro. ChatGPT doesn't know my stance, bro. That's just like, oh
Right,
my
it doesn't
god,
know your
bro.
stance.
It's
So you're
gonna.
saying
No,
it'd
no,
be
no,
more
no, no.
expensive to make a movie or a AAA video game, a term that
But they
nobody
talk
knows
about
about.
blockbuster movies here too, bro. Average Hollywood blockbuster, you know? Okay, so
Yeah. Marty Supreme cost 140.
you see, that's way below
But
this. You know what I'm saying? You
that's
see.
like that's for GTA 6, no?
No, this is average AAA. You know, GTA 6 is 800 million, bro.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy money.
It's or more. I think actually it has surpassed a billion. I think 800
Also,
million was
less
Red Dead
money per
Redemption
year
2.
as well. Less
Hmm?
money total and less money per year as well.
And you gotta service it. Like you gotta fix bugs and stuff when the game's already out.
Less money total and less money per year as well.
1 second. I think it's the food people. Diga. Vale. Sí, sí, yo bajo ahora. ¿Tú en cuánto llega? Vale, pues ya voy bajando ahora en un segundo. Venga, hasta
The
ahora.
eighth Mission Impossible cost $400 million to make. Not
Yeah, the
people
food is
pay.
here. What'd you say? Well, not here,
The,
but
the eighth Mission Impossible cost $400 million to make. What a fucking joke.
That's insane. Yeah, yeah, that's crazy. You're right. I mean, they're up there. They're both up there. But what I think is the fact that you still gotta service the game, which you don't have to do with movies. But
Sure.
they're both
Sure.
there, and they're both there. It is also true that it's easier to make a profitable game. Like, I mean, an indie game. Like, you can have a low-cost game that makes a lot of
Games have
money.
more longevity. Actually, is that even true though? Because people do watch movies for. If a movie's good, it just does.
Yeah.
Does like get watched
Yeah.
decades in the future. and
I
stuff.
think it's easier, actually. I think they have more. Like, I can watch a 1950s movie, but it's much harder for me to play an 80s video game. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Movies burn money on talent. That's the thing that I was
Yeah,
thinking
and
the whole
speed.
time. Is that actors get paid insanely, you know?
Yeah, and
That's
they
what
gotta
it
do it
has.
fast because of that, because they gotta pay them a salary for each hour or
Yeah,
whatever.
like games, their main costs are like
It's the
developers.
time,
I'd
yeah,
say, you
yeah,
know?
the time it takes to
And
make them.
time, yeah. But movies like have to pay like people that are supposedly A-list, or you know what I mean? Like celebrities just they get paid
Yeah.
way more for fucking
2
movies.
billion, the cost of GTA 6, bro.
That's insane, yeah.
Bro,
It better
this
be
game.
fucking good. And it's
I
also,
know
like,
that. No, they're gonna make it expensive too. By the way, like they should milk the hype before people start talking
Yeah.
about how good the game is. Like just
if
fucking
this
charge
shit
the
flops,
shit out of
it'll
it,
be so funny though.
huh? If it
If this shit
flops,
flops, it'll be so funny.
it won't flop. What it could be
Yeah.
is people will be pissed. No, people will buy it, bro. Like, I mean,
Nah,
you're
people
saying
will
people
buy it.
will wait, and I mean, yeah, you're right. Maybe it does flop. You're right, because the critics will buy it first. Like if the game is not good, yeah, it will affect sales. Yeah.
Price point is crucial. Like I don't think as many people buy it if they charge like 200 for it, bro. I
No,
think,
they won't charge 200, but it's like 200 is
'cause
insane, bro.
nowadays, dude, like there's so many. Like if you think about the fact that like these top tier games are free, like Fortnite, which is insane, is
Yeah.
free.
No, but
Yeah,
I don't
like-
think that's a valid because this games like Battlefield 6, it was the most sold game past year
Right, but
by
it's
a lot,
$60.
and it's what?
$60.
Yeah, and it's a game that's online. It's like it's not even like GTA 6, which is a story and stuff. That's what I'm saying.
I
Like,
know, but I'm saying like 60 is like the top, like.
but
and
it's not.
all games. cost
These
60.
people will charge more than 100. I think 200 is insane, but I think they can charge 100. 99, make it 99. Like it'll be fine. Or
89,
We
99.
should make it 69. Well, 69 is the average. Never mind. No, but even like this game's now selling for 80. So I think 100 it's not that crazy for GTA. Like I think they might do even higher. Anyway, I gotta head out, get the food and stuff. You gotta head out too, right? So let's end it here.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do the whole thing. Any other quests for the audience, Evan?
Yeah. Tell us how your day went.
Tell us how your day went. All right. See you guys.